Urgent charge कौन भाई?
Page mention नहीं.
Page mention Hon'Ble में.
क्या तो ठीक है. You are okay? Or you have also fever? Your face, so you are also suffering from fever.
But eviction matter,
Eviction.
7 days notice has been issued. Eviction matter, I beg pardon, Malash. Eviction matter, 7 days notice have already lapsed.
I like the color.
Malash, tomorrow Malash, because there are the order of demolition.
कले मारी के बस
No, Malash, they have declared us as rank trespassers.
who
The NHA
who
authority.
आपने की
Malash, I am the possession in possession. of the
NSA
commercial-
trespasser अपन जमी
We have been declared as trespasser when all.
you
the-
have been declared ना
Yes,
तो declare कर अपन असली मारी असली
But the similar matters have also been listed today in item number
तो
4.
मैं कौन करी
So,
काली लेवर काली रो गुटे काम करो 10टा भीतर जे दबो 10टा रो 1 हेले भी और रिसीव करियो काल 10टा गुटे हेले भी रिसीव करो आ केवल अर्जेंट मैटर ओनली डेमोलिशन मैटर एक्सेप्ट करो किबा बैंक रे मैटर जे काली ऑक्शन ने लिखो से मैटर आ बाकी रिव्यू पिटिशन ये पिटिशन वो पिटिशन फिल रखो हला स्ट्रेट काल से नेक्स्ट
Page number 2, item 11 to 19. Page number 3, item 20 to 29.
Item
एटम
10.
10 कौन हला
Next week में कहाँ है?
नेक्स्ट वीक कौन हला कौन ओके जान you will cry after some time okay 10th
Page number 4, item 30 to 33.
I
31 going to withdraw okay 31
I want to
know the petitioner 6 to withdraw ये withdrawal पे
आइए फाइल को.
तो ठीक है आस्था
देखो
31 पर.
हाँ तो withdraw कर
जो
on the request of the petitioner Mr. your name? Mr. Sudarana Biswas, this was it.
Item
Enter all. You're they are in common in all.
Common in
We are for the petitioner, right?
petition.
ठीक है. Next
Page number 5, item
my lord,
30.
item 30, my lord, I pray. Item 30, I pray for an adjournment. Yes,
30
yes.
30
Next.
bail ପାଇଁ କଣ ପାଇଁ କହୁଛ?
Na se CD ଆସିଥିବ କି ନାହିଁ batch case ଅଛି for that reason.
Batch code.
I will take
Good
instruction from my
ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଅଛି.
only next week.
सोमवार को आस
ଆପଣ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ
କାରଣ ଜ୍ଞାନ ବାବୁ ସେଟା କରିବେ
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି. Monday 20 sorry second next
Page number 5, item 34 to 41.
सेकंड फाइनल
2nd September
Ma-
Monday କହିଲେ ଆପଣ Monday
आज्ञा
okay
Page number 6, item 42 to 48.
42 to 40
Page number 7, item 49 to 53.
Item 51.
Item 49.
Sorry, bros. Item
49. That enactment, I have already taken consent from my senior my lord, Nanda my lord, dear Nanda.
2016 matter sir
The talk of compromise is going on. A small amount, lordship matter can be settled.
should have compromised by
I am the कोई आज ही सका
8 hours
ता-
talk of compromise
नहीं नहीं आज से कॉन्टैक्ट नथला या चिट्ठी भी दे दे चिट्ठी देला पर कॉन्टैक्ट कर जे कोई सेटल कर दो बोली आ मु भी कथा ही जे आगर
Lords, my same page, item 51, Lords.
when do you want
और chapter any day.
the October 1st law
Okay.
October 1st next
Same page, my item 51, Lords. Lord, can this matter taken up day after tomorrow or Friday, my Lords? Only affidavit is ready, my Lords, that are showed in affidavits. That matter,
matter
exactly, my Lordship, I wanted that, how to expedite the investigation. Friday, my Lords. Friday, day after tomorrow. Only the sorting affidavits is required.
Monday second
Deep list.
Page number 8, item 54 to 60.
मतलब item number 55
55
but it is for note of submission and Mr. Jnana Mahapatra is ill, suffering so Monday he has prayed
Item 60.
60
Yes. Seek for submission, return of submission. Mr. Mahapatra.
Mahapatra. Second. ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଏଟାକୁ ଚାରେ ଲଗେଇ ଦିଅ that will be getting space for that.
Item number 1.
Sorry, my
One,
mention, my memo mention.
ଆଉ mention ନେବିନି ନା ସରି urgency ଆଉ ଶୁଣା ଯିବନି ମୁଁ ଏତେ mention କରି ଘଣ୍ଟା ଘଣ୍ଟା ବସିନି
Today I have work.
ନା ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିପାରିନି ସରି mentioning ତା ଟାଇମ୍ ଅଛି ଟାଇମ୍ ସରିଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଦେବି। କାଲି କରିବି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ କୋଉଟା
Eviction matter notice has sent.
କିଛି ମାନେ ଏତେ କେତେ eviction notice ହଉଛି କୋଉ ସରକାର ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ। କାଲି ଆସିବ କାଲି ଦେଖ କେବେ ଭାଙ୍ଗୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଘରଟା
30 ତାରିଖ notice ହେଇଛି।
ତ ଆପଣ 21 30
My
30
actually,
ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବେ
my lord is not sitting.
30 ତାରିଖ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବେ ମୁଁ ନସିଥିଲେ ଆଉ କୋଉ କୋର୍ଟରେ
ନାଇଁ,
matter
ଆଗରୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି second notice 21 first notice was 38 my lord.
ହଁ
First notice was sent at 38.
ଆଉ ସେଟା ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କଲେନି
Challenge ହେଇଯାଏ ସେ।
और गोटे से दुईटा उठी से 30 रे कोइ भाग्य
କୋଉଟା
डिमार्केशन ए जो ओपीएल एक्ट दुईटा उठी
କୋଉଟା ସାର୍
मेंशन वन फ्रेश
କାଇଁ ଆପଣ ମେମୋ କାଇଁ କାଲିଠୁ ଯେ ମେନସନ ମେମୋ ଦେବେ 10ଟା ପୂର୍ବରୁ 10ଟା ଏକ ହେଲେ ବି ନିଆ ହବନି କେବଳ ଏଭିକ୍ସନ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଭେରି ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର नो सर्विस मैटर के बेनिफिट पाइनी कार प्रमोशन हेनी एगुडा का मेंशन रे जाय एटा अर्जेंट मैटर नहीं
तोर ऑप्शन है जो
ऑप्शन कोन है
29 घरटा ऑप्शन है जो
लेला काल लगे आपण लोन चुक्ता करबिनी ऑप्शन माने
Number है defect remove है।
हां तो कर
डिफेक्ट रिमूव करंतु
कर दे दे नंबर
ना डिफेक्ट रिमूव हला
हां ठीक नंबर
आपण आसी नंबर
आजि
देबे
तो डिस्कस करू
रखि तो अलगा
आगे आगे
ऑन डिफेक्ट रिमूव हला पर ओके नेक्स्ट
Item 1.
पेज 42 आइटम
फिर कोन
सर मोटा
आपण पूरा से कंट्रोल
सर
की देला वाला
सर सीढ़ी रू ठीक
गोटे
है
आज्ञा 2 किलो
सर सीढ़ी रू ठीक है और सर कंप्लीट सर
आपण
तीन माला चढ़ के आछी आपण
की आउ समस्त चढ़ी रहछ
सर कोन करिब सर आपण भी चढ़ के सर नले लिफ्ट गुडा सर पैक हिच
कोन
लिफ्ट
करिब
पैक सर
आ जति में नुआ बिल्डिंग कला काई आपण मना करथले केले में बढ़िया जगह दूसला गवर्नमेंट बनि थाते के सुंदर पुली बोली के थाते दुटा फ्लोर रही थाता दौड़ी दौड़ी जाय थाते दौड़ी दौड़ी
सर
आउ
हमेशा को तो ये लगे एस्केलेटर सर
नहीं
लगे
हमें एठी एती गेंजी हिक रहइबु हमें
नहीं सर आपण सर जहा को हम एस्केलेटर लगे दउन सर हमारा
किछि लगे हम किछि लगा हबो
आफ्टर बिल्डिंग फिनिश होला पर एस्केलेटर लागि पेली
किछि लगा हबो
सर आपण चीफ जस्टिस पहले सर लगी मुझे
we are trying to find out space high court will be shifted
your lordship will become the SCJ and that will be set up
no I will never मैं ऐसी जगह जाऊंगी
सर आगे बहुत पैक अछि
मतलब गोटे 42 आइटम था सर का डिजेंडर टे
तो आपण हेबे ही हेबे
ऐसी जगह रहबर नहीं
सर चीफ जस्टिस है
मैं मना कर देबी
सर चीफ जस्टिस है सर आपण 42 सर मैं डिजेंडर एफिडेविट था
इसका विथड्रॉ करिए
2 चैप्टर सर
विथड्रॉ
42 सर
एटा कोन करियो
डिजेंडर एफिडेविट देबी सर 2 वीक्स सर बरमपुर लोकटा से वर्षा
बरमपुर लोगड़ा
आ कोन करियो सर दूर दूरांत आछते लोक
बरमपुर दूर दूरांत
अच्छा
एठू ट्रेन रे बसले 2 घंटा
लेडी टे सर उडो लेडी टे सर कोन
ये आर
वो आरो दस इन्फॉर्मेशन करती
आर पार्टी को जणी छथि
हां सर नलिन दास आगो जणी
गोटे दिन से मन रखि थांतु एई केस को डिसमिस करबी आगरु बिना पड़ी कहि दूची काई की जानथि टीसीबी नॉट मेंटेनेबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक गुडा का मेंटेनेबल
नहीं सर डीसीबी बैंक
डीसीबी दा बैंक
बैंक सर এটা बैंक ओ
Private bank.
प्राइवेट बैंक
ना এটা পিওরলি সর প্রাইভেট ফাইনাল যে আরবিআই কন্ট্রোল বাই দি আরবিআই রিজার্ভ ব্যাংক
आपण बैंक भलो पढि जति
सर मैं जानि कि सर डीसी
सब बैंक तो आरबीआई कंट्रोल कोड आरबीआई
কিন্তু
कंट्रोल
सर डीसीबी बैंक सर
फुल फॉर्म टा कहै
सर मैं जानि खाली डीसी
डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ
सर जानि नेक्स्ट टू सर
जणे छथि
हां मु जानि सर न जणे कि सर आपण पका
न जणे कि केते एमपी आसथि
ना सर नेवर सर
चार लोग बसिदिबो हटा आला आज्ञा
ना सर सर हम तो किसी करतु मु सर पेसो
हां सब एमपी कहंती एठी
ना ना
दिस इज द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म टू
ना ना सर आपण पर मिछो
केत कोन
मेक बिलीव
ना ना आपण पर जहा को
दैट इज कांसेप्ट कॉल्ड मेक बिलीव
ना सर इते होबनी सर आपण पर जहा को सत
ओ 10 सितंबर
आगे
सर
which one item 33 okay
33.
सर हे
आपण
डीटा डिमल
तो
सर मेरे पढ़न रे मोसे आज भारी वीडियो अछि लिफ्ट हम दी जन आसे
कौन एटा
डिमोलिशन ओपीएल
केबे
30 तारीख
हां
30 तारीख 30 लाफ्ट लिफ्ट भारी जाम सर हम समते ऊपर चढ़ी गेल मते हार्ट स्ट्रोक हो
ଆପଣ ଏଠି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଦେବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଜାଗା ଦଉଥିଲା ସରକାର ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତେ ହାର୍ଟସୁ ହୁଅନ୍ତାନି କେଡେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଫେଲା हुआ जंगल होता वहां पे आराम से मजे करते नहीं आमे एई गेंजी ହେଇକିରି ଏଠି ଆମେ ଚଢୁଥିବୁ ପଛେ ଆଉ ଯିବୁନି କୁଆଡେ ଏଇଟା ତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଥାନ୍ତି ସେଠି କେତେ ବଢିଆ ଏଇଟା 3 ଏକର କି 2 ଏକର ଜାଗାରେ ଘୁରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି 25-30 ଏକର ଘୁମୁଥାନ୍ତି ବଢିଆ ଆୟୁର୍ବେଦିକ ଗାର୍ଡେନ ଟେ କରା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଆମ୍ବ ଗଛ ଲାଗିଥାନ୍ତା ପିଜୁଳି ଗଛ ଲାଗିଥାନ୍ତା କେତେ ମଜା ଆସିଥାନ୍ତା ନାଇଁ ଏଠି କଟକରେ ତ ଜାଗା ମିଳୁଥିଲା ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ମିଳୁଥିଲା କି ସିଡିଆରେ କଟକ ନୁହେଁ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଲର ତ ସିଡିଆରେ ରହିଲେ ସେଠୁ ଆରାମସେ ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯିବେନି ଆମେ ତ ସିଫ୍ଟ କରିବୁ ଏଠୁ ଏଥର we have decided to shift it to other place ନହେଲେ ହବନି କେସ୍ ବଢିବ ଏ କରିବ ଜାଗା ନେଇ କୋଉଠି ଯିବେ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଲର ଆଜି 5,000 ଅଛନ୍ତି କାଲି 10,000 ଲର ନେବେ କୋଉଠି ଜାଗା ହବ ଜାଗା अभी कोर्ट कोर्ट कभी कोर्ट अभी 15टा कोर्ट चले से 30टा कोर्ट दरकार पड़ियो केते पेरीफेरी जगह देखि कोइ तू आपण आसी कोइ मत हैला कोर्ट पेरीफेरी जगह देखि मते कहियो 30 एकड़ पेरीफेरी जगह जोडी छै मते कहियो म कलेक्टर साहब को बताइ आपण कोन पेरीफेरी भीतर सीडीए रे जगह नै कोडा वर्षा हैला आसी त आपण कोर्ट भीतर पानी पसिबो से एनएलयू कौन होची एनएलयू दिन रात देखले कांथ गुडा खाली उदा आ पिलान सोडे बीमार एटा भलो नुहे भलो थिला केते कम लॉयर थिले कम केसेस थिला भलो नाउ इट इज नाउ थिंग्स वी हैव टू एक्सपैंड बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट तक एते ये पुराना बिल्डिंग दे आर नाउ शिफ्टिंग टू अनदर प्लेस सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर देगी कोर्ट शिफ्ट करूची 30 एकड़ लैंड गवर्नमेंट देसी बॉम्बे
अल्लाहाबाद बोधे कल नुआ बिल्डिंग
सब जीवे नुआ पुराना सब जीवे ये भी हैदराबाद रे तांगर 40 एकड़ गवर्नमेंट दे साची सेठी भी सामाने सेठी आरंभ करनी काम खाली आमे बस्ती आमे आकु पड़ी सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी नुआ दरकार सर कोर्टरूम्स रे ना पसी करिवे सुप्रीम कोर्ट जागा नहीं नोएडा जीवे से बाहर से नोएडा जीवे हाथी पार्क 10 की सेठी सुप्रीम कोर्ट कर दवा कथा हाथी पार्क कोन पे करथि मु जानि 30-40 एकड़ जमीन जगह चढ़े हाथी पार्क कर बसी there can be supreme beautiful building Jharkhand बहुत बढ़िया बिल्डिंग है 160 एकड़ लैंड आउ इंडिया को एते जगह बड़टा कोन beautiful I have seen that बहुत बढ़िया anyway you convince your friends they should shift somewhere that's important
again
Item 1.
May I please your lordship? Arising out of my lord NI Act, my lord, the London Trial Court has directed for sentence of 6 months and compensation amount double the check amount. Lordship will find at page 21.
okay you're convicted
Convicted. Then thereafter, my lord, I carried appeal. In appeal, that sentence part has been modified. Only pecuniary jurisdiction, my lord, that has been given 2,40,000. That amount has been upheld. That is page 48.
okay admit file aye
Yes, my lord.
why don't you talk to the bank and pay the amount let's finish it
Associate रहले इट compromise कर दो.
आपन compromise है
ए जो आएगा इट.
ए केस गुडा unnecessary
आएगा. Let him appear. Notice पे आसिले आगे से इट compromise.
आईटा कोन भी
आगे for
hey
stay.
stay the relation of file pass the additional session criminal appeal was 6 of the okay next
Next two matters same, my lord.
same
Only appeal numbers are different.
okay
Obliged.
listen matter on September 25th
My lord.
25th September
My lord.
Item
next
number 2.
That's been this matter.
talk to that man other party
Malak.
finish it.
Here is the
Both of you are ready you can mention and get in listen finish it
In this matter,
I may have given date on 25th
my lord.
but if you are both the parties are agreeable
If
to
he appears
finish-
before that date,
yeah
we can-
you can fix another
I
date
will make a mention.
you can prepone also
My lord.
next
in this matter, you let's say, I have prayed for the opposite parties are not giving me the completion certificate, which they are bound to give me.
what
let's say.
set?
completion certificate. But
Completion
work,
for
work has been completed since 2022.
Tender matter,
The-
your division matter.
This is
No, it
tender
is,
matter.
I'm praying for
Right.
compensation. That is why it is before your lordship.
Complaint.
Because final certificate,
And what is the matter about the tender matter?
yes,
Tender.
matter
Even for compensation also, let's go to that.
compensation, only
No, no.
completion certificate ta dou nahanti
That
boli.
is there. That was before the tender.
Lordship only mute khali dou nahanti boli.
All compensation can't. There should be some.
That is consequential relief.
Yeah.
Let my learned friend take
No, no.
instruction next date re.
Go to the pen.
ଏଇଟା ସେଠିକି ଯିବ tender matter.
Next.
Item number 3.
Pardon your lordship, another thing, your lordship, may I submit one small written note of submission for the
You may please.
Order side legal. Check for order side number.
Thank you.
Next.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, no, kill.
3. Unauthorized encroaching by the OP number 6 to 8 year
Who are
Lordship.
you?
I am the villagers ମୋ ଘରକୁ
Villager.
ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଗୋଟିଏ ରାସ୍ତା ହଉଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି ମାନେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଚର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ତାରି ଉପରେ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଘର କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଚଲାଇକି ଯିବେ।
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 6, 7, 8
Take notice, sorry, take instruction that. Learn asking state to take instruction.
He is also claiming gochar land.
Ask
ନା ନା ମୁଁ
ask
ଗୋଚର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
ତାପରେ
ମୋର ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସେ
instruction ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବେ।
ଏଇଟି ରେ ସେଟଲ ହେଇଛି ମୋର ନା
I'll pass it. You take instruction. I'll pass the state to take instruction. Matter. This the matter on 9th. Next.
Item 4.
Item 4, a similar matter was before your lordship. My lords, here at Paradip matter, if your lordship remembers, my lords, National Highway Authority,
The shop.
yes, my lord, this is a total market. And all are Sthitivan lands, and they are treating us as encroachers and trying to evict us. And even if they,
The order is there.
yes, my lords, yes, my lords.
This is in Chandipur.
No, no, my lords, near Paradip,
But it's Chandipur.
in Paradip itself.
Oh, that office in.
Yes, office is Chandipur. Project Director of NHAI.
The two deadlines.
30th August. 30th August.
They all may be tagged up.
Yeah, Saturday.
I am appearing for the OP number 1 independent item survey extra copy.
Yes,
Give a
we will,
My-
we will.
Calling the Land Constable of Union of India, recommended by Mr. Gupta. A copy of the notification we saw for
Copy.
instruction.
Yes.
Place the matter.
Fi-
Same day, next 30th.
Same. My lords, 5 is also the same.
5.
Yes,
Okay, 5 is on. Next,
obliged.
Item number 6.
6.
May it please your lordships. By the annexer 5, my lord, we have represented before the bank.
I have told you not to go in that way.
Oh, sorry, my lord.
You have to go, what is, tell me the story.
And the fact is that the petition.
Be a storyteller first.
My lord.
Annexer 5, it is I will say, those people who do not read file, they go to annexer 5, annexer 6. Yeah. And those people who are scared of the court expressing their
In 2016, my lord.
fail to present themselves, they do this annexer
I got
4
on,
and
my lord.
5.
In
Tell me
2016,
the story.
in 2016, my lord, the petitioner took a case credit.
A
loan.
lawyer has to be a good storyteller first. Otherwise you can't. You have to tell the story in a beautiful manner. Then only you can just impress the judge, whoever may be the judge.
My lord, my lord.
Yeah.
In 2016, my lord, the petitioner took a loan of 50 lakh of case credit loan, my lord. Thereafter, he was
From
regular
which, again, follow information, which bank?
from the Karur Vaishya Bank, my lord.
Wait a minute.
And he was regular in payment of the installment in each and every money.
Then,
Thereafter, my lord, during COVID, my lord, he suffered huge
how
loss,
many installment you paid regularly without fail?
my lord. He have clear, by Annex 2, my lord,
Again,
bank, my
Tell
lord,
me how many installment you, that is what your preparation requires, sir.
my lord. In May
You should have gone
2023,
through this. Pencil रे ऊपर लिखी दी थांते ये डेट रे ये दीची एते दिन कंटिन्यूअस दिल्ली ये दिन दिल्ली नी एनपीए को शिफ्ट कला ये दिन एनपीए स्लिप हला डेट ये ऑर्डर रे नोटिस आसिला एवरीथिंग शुड बी इन योर फ्रंट पेज ऑफ योर रिट पेंसिल सब लिखावा दरकार
I do it,
हां
my lord.
फट तापर एट पेज तापर सेठी एच पेज करी दैट इज हाउ इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड
My lord.
जेते कहले आपण सुनिबेनी प्रिपेयर कले तो पढ़ले तो बाहर बुद्धि अब आसबे एठी प्रिपेयर करी कहबे बने दी था घर देखिए कोर्ट रे मोटी रे चलिबनी सेमतिया कले ना से केस आगे डिसमिस करी जे प्रिपेयर न गेला केस डिसमिस हो ओ मुडे प्रिपेयर के आसे तो भलो प्रिपेयर के आसीबे
So I trying to learn from your lordship
no
judgment.
you
It is
are
very
sufficiently
systematically the brief
sufficiently
facts.
adult to learn
Right.
huh
My lord.
so adult learning is of course no learning. There is a different method which is for adult learning. So this is the adult learning method. So now tell me. What is
My lord. Thereafter, my lord, in May 2023, my lord, the bank informed the petitioner to deposit 50,67,347, my lord.
total how much to loan you take? That you didn't say anything.
It is 50 lakh, my lord.
50 lakh.
50 lakh in
for
2016.
This is a cash credit loan.
Cash credit loan, my lord.
Okay. Tapare,
He was paying regularly, my lord, the dues.
when did he slip into NPA?
Thereafter, my lord, it became
When did
NP
he slip into NPA?
in the COVID period, my lord.
But there must be some month, year. What is this COVID period? COVID period is 2 years.
In October 21, my lord. In
October 21.
In October 21, my lord.
Okay, he slipped into NPA.
My lord.
After that, what? We have not paid anything.
My lord, thereafter also we had went to the bank and we offered an amount of 30 lakh for settlement. The bank did not agree
What
with
is
that.
the total outstanding due?
It is 50 lakh by then, my lord. 50 lakh 67.
How should why should they agree to you?
I'm
That
submitting,
was the
lordship.
Of the bank.
So in July, my lord, again we offered for payment of 35 lakh. They accepted the same.
Cash credit loan is not surgery.
My lord, in the,
It is not
very recently, my lord.
housing loan or something. Cash credit.
Very
loan.
recently, he had been to the bank and offered 40 lakh
What
rupees.
happened, sir? What do you say? Kete paisa re apne money be kondu straight away. You give a copy then we'll see. Hala kete paisa dei paribe apne instruction nei asile.
My
You
lord.
let him take instruction and finish it here.
My lord.
No need to go to all these that.
The value of the property is more, that is the reason he is facing this.
I
That
know.
is what happens.
Give a copy. Okay,
My lord.
and consider the petition.
I'll
Shall we
take
copy?
inspection and come back.
Shall we copy and the consider the opposite party bank and
May I pray your lordship on Monday, next Monday. Move to the evening.
I'll go now.
Ask her, man. Yes, I think first day.
ठीक है.
ये मत समझ पड़ता है।
I'm saying that
Come on, what phone I'll get
copy we served on Mr.
Yes.
Spencer. What is your name?
M. Balakrishna.
M. Balakrishna Rao. Mr. M. Balakrishna Rao, who is usually appearing for the bank of Corporation Bank.
Ask her, man.
Ask her branch. Okay. So let him take instruction.
Malay.
Is the matter on Monday?
On Monday, my lord.
This Monday, Malay.
Huh?
I'll not be able to find the Bokaladam. I'll get the instruction over phone. But I'll not be able to-
କାର ଆସିବ ଗୋଟେ କେତେ ଦୂର ଅକାଲ ଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ବସ ରେ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ
All your lordship, Monday I'll get the instruction over phone and that.
No problem.
ଅକାଲ ଦିନ ଫାଇଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସିବାର କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗୁଛି ଦିନେ ଲାଗିବ ପହଞ୍ଚିବା
ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଦେଇଦେବି।
Short I have already read.
ମୁଁ soft copy ବି ଦେଇଦେବି ସୁବିଧା।
WhatsApp comes. That form for digital provider.
ठीक है 5th September
A small prayer, my lord. In the meantime, there should be no course of action.
अरे किसी करीबी नहीं
Only observation for a
no ए बैंक कोर्ट को पळे आसीबे आसीकरी कोर्ट को तो फास्ट जोटा हैला समझे नो करसिबे बैंक
You lordship kindly after that the petition.
no मु कहूची this will be done in a panchayati manner. I will conduct panchayat for this खत्म मैटर सरीगला गला
We all are obliged, lordship, because
केस सॉल्व होगा दरकार I am not on the traditional method की नहीं दे आर्ग्यू कर तू आर्ग्यू कर दे रिटन ऐसे नहीं जो ये बैंक मैटर है खाली इनकी कथावार्ता सरीगो
we are willing
आपको
to
चाहिए।
settle the dues. We are willing to settle the dues.
you will settle if you have the desire to settle there is the best settlement forum available here ताडो अधिक यदि आर्ग्यू करिवो देबी काटी
Obliged.
आर्ग्यू कला माने खत्म जानि थो केबे भी आर्ग्यू कला बैंक से बोले जीते
Right.
मैक्सिमम 99.9% केस रे बैंक जीतिबो आर्ग्यू कले
But
यदि आर्ग्यू न करिवो त बंची
occasionally, my lord,
Okay.
express that the interest is mounting on at the time of I submit my
Of course, that is there. Public money, Babu. Next,
Item number 7.
7.
Landless person. Government lands in years.
How much land you have encroached?
6 decimal.
6 decimal mean kete square feet.
24 voter land hawani
ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନାରେ ଗୋଟେ ବାଡିକି ରଖିଥିବ କହୁଛି ଟେବୁଲ ଟେ ଅଛି टेबल डे अछि सिटी से फट से पवती पक्के दल देखा जो कर मु डिसमिल बुझाई नहीं केबे मो डिसमिल बुझा पड़े आई एम ट्रेडिशनल मैन आई डोंट नो को जगह डेटा महाकालपड़ा टाउन रे पूरा
Let him apply in proper form before the Tahsildar.
आपण अप्लाई करछंती को केबे करछंती
Representation is one.
कोड करछंती आपण फॉर्म रे अप्लाई करछंती तार अप्लाई करछंती की व्हाट यू वांट व्हाट इज योर प्रेयर प्रेयर ता आपण कोन बस तापे फॉर्म अछि अपील कोन अब आपण तहसीलदार के अप्लाई करला करी अपील कोन
Tahsildar बाको ये form रे fill up कर दियो form C1 form 1 on appeal हवनी ता एटा अपन form देई ना
आपण एटा एनकरेजमेंट एटा आपनकर ये 40 इयर्स लैंड आई करछथि फेवर
अपन 8 year दियंतु 8 year apply करंतु
आपण ये करंतु तार सेटल कर पे करंतु व्हाट इज द सेक्शन दैट
8A
8 under 8 let him approach the तहसीलदार महाकालपड़ा under section dispose of the petition within 2 months from the date of presentation dispose of how can no person in the till the matter is taken up by the tahsildar it shall not be any course correction. Next
Item 8.
Encroachment case 4 of 2023 at page 6 of my prayer my ready pending to open note 3.
कौन चाहछंती को नांदी खाली पेज 6 पेज 5 कहि दे एटा केस पेज 5 पेज
Not for disposal of encroachment case. We are the villagers.
माने धक्का मारे आछन धक्का दे आछन
In
हाई कोर्ट धक्का दा
no, High Court has passed order at page 24.
कौन
Dispose of encroachment to
dispose
dispose of encroachment case within 2 weeks since 2023.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन डिस्पोजल ऑर्डर हेतु कोनटा हेतु
ना से कहले 2 सप्ताह रे सरी आबे से अपन सरी
अपन कंटेंट फाइल करछन करे
ना ना सेटा कंटेम्प्ट रे सेमान कहले जेतु
कंटेंट
encroachment
कले नहीं आपण कंटेंट
सर कंटेम्प्ट रे कोर्ट ऑर्डर करले जेतु encroachment केस बुक हे गेलानी सेटा सरी जीवो किंतु आगे हाई कोर्ट रो स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर पेज 24 अछि 2 सप्ताह रे encroachment केस सरीबो से किंतु आज पर सरी पेज 24
एटा कंटेम्प्ट करछन एटा कोन करछन
कंटेम्प्ट ड्रॉप हे गेला जेतु से कहला हम encroachment केस बुक कर देइजु त कंटेम्प्ट ड्रॉप हे गेला बर्तन encroachment केस ता केवल स्पीडी डिस्पोजल
what is the encroachment case number
4/328 of 2023
अच्छी अच्छी ऑर्डर डायरेक्शन अच्छी
डायरेक्शन अछि शोरूम में
तबरा काई करिनी
आगे
काई करिनी ताले
डायरेक्शन फिल भी करना
let the तहसीलदार be present before this court
मैं इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड नहीं आसी कोन देखि
आसु से तहसीलदार
मने आस गोटे आई अपील थिबा समथिंग एल्स
किछ नाही
मने आस
state to take instruction police the matter on 3rd September
सर आइटम 18 स्टेट
18 में से सेम
केबे केते
आइटम 18
next
other similar matter 2 matters I will give sleep matter on same day
कोन आपण पूरा गुटे हाथ पसे पसे पूरा सब पसे देली
से जेटा एकटा जन लिस्ट आसिन
हां
स्लीप खाली दे देन सेई दिन को अर्जन
को दिन
जो सितंबर को आसिला इंस्ट्रक्शन आ दुटा नंबर हेची डिफरेंट नहीं
पूरा
आ दुटा
5th September आई don't use this code as a धक्का मारा code why are you making a धक्का मारा code the tractor बने देले नहीं code आ जाले जे ना को कोड पेज ना एडी आसी धक्का मारी कमे धक्का मारी बस आपण ऑफिसर काहे से डिसाइड करबनी विदिन टाइम I should take months together गुटे कोर्ट ऑर्डर दोची कंटेम्प्ट दोची तथापि से करूनी कमे let him come personally no nothing doing he should come asu
गोटे इंस्ट्रक्शन दे
गोटे
ऑर्डर रखि
this is not done why months together he is sitting over the file
पर्सनल
डिसाइड करबो
गोटे
कोन
थर
करछि बाली केस त फटकना डिसाइड कर दो माल मिलिछ बोली एकस काय करनु तहसीलदार ने सब बाली केस दबी के संगे डिसाइड कर देबे बाली में संगे सांग
गोटे थर
थारो अधिक तो चोर अछि बस कोना
ए थर पड़ो पड़
आसु यदि कोन पाए
3 तारिख आसु मोदे ने
सैटिस्फैक्टरी रिप्लाई ना देला से कोटा डाकी
5 दिन
3 नंबर
डिसाइड करो कौन एटा केते समय लागु डिसाइड करे
ମୁଁ ଆଜି ତାକୁ ଫୋନରେ ପଚାରୁଛି।
फोन रे पचारतो ना प्रेजेंट हेबा पे रेडी जांतो कोन
ଆଜ୍ଞା
हला
ଆଜ୍ଞା
दीटा सोदिन सेदिन जदी आंसर सैटिस्फैक्टरी ना हला
ଠିକ ଅଛି
आपण निजे आसी आसंतु
ठीक
को डिस्ट्रिक्ट महाकाल
ଏଇଟା ମାସା ଘାଇ
केंद्रापड़ा लेट हिम कम जदी आंसर ठीक सैटिस्फैक्टरी ना हला त प्रश्न डाकिन
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ता पर
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
नेक्स्ट
May I please your lordship?
Item number 9.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, the petitioner have purchased the land from the K farm holder. The K farm holder.
sorry
Petitioner has purchased the land from K farm holder.
from
K farm holder.
के फॉर्म होल्डर
Yes, your lordship.
हिंदी कहू जे के फॉर्म होल्डर ना के फॉर्म होल्डर ना बुझा पड़ी
Lordship.
के फॉर्म होल्डर say like
Lordship.
this
Lordship.
English is beautiful when it is spoken very slowly. English is bad when you speak very fast. So
Lordship.
follow this slow method. That is the better. Yes.
Lordship. The K farm holders, the vendor and producers of the vendor are possessing the land since 3 decades, lordship. And the petitioner has purchased the land by registered sale deed under Annex 3, lordship, on 1994. Lordship, when we are going to approach the Tahsildar Mahakalpada,
You are going to approach or you have approached?
when we have approached the Tahsildar, opposite party to number 2, without issuing order, they are now going to evict us from this enclosed land, lordship. Lordship, we have filed a representation under Annex 4 before the sub collector,
Wow. So
which is
what-
pending,
what-
lordship. Lordship,
କଲେକ୍ଟର ଆଣି
What will sub collector do?
କଣ କରିବା ସେ?
directed
कहाँ पाके
to
कहाँ दवा कथा?
Lordship, when approach the opposite party number 2, the collector and district magistrate Kendrapada, to direct the Tahsildar to issue the error in our favor, lordship.
68 ର ବଡ
You take instruction on that.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
We will learn the state to take instruction.
Lordship, there is an IA till date
I for
status quo, lordship.
କାହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
Till date, no course of action shall be taken.
which order I'll stay?
Yes.
Which order?
Land trust status quo,
Which
not to
order?
evict us from the land.
Where is the any in notice has been issued to you?
No.
No.
And then why are you unnecessarily worried? Notice has not been issued. So let it come. Take instruction on 3rd September.
Lordship.
Shortcut. Take instruction.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Lordship, similar item is item 11 and 12.
11 per share. Connect. Let him take instruction on 11 लग रहा है 11 sorry सब एक आसन सब मीटर 11 लग रहा है
Lordship.
next
Obliged, lordship.
Item 13.
My lord, perimeter, my lord. Cobb form was issued in the year 2004 and 5. Till today, no Cobb form has been issued. And the Tahsildar is trying to evict us. Earlier order, your lordship passed also similar situated person. I am standing in similar footing. Earlier, this type of case, your lordship also passed the order in which I am also standing in a similar footing.
no order of eviction any ଖାଲି apprehension there is no order of eviction the full municipality on trust wait here wait a court as like
you have applied for settlement
My lord,
that is pending
my lord.
केबे to apply करछिते आपण
Annex 3, my lord.
केबे to कला annex 3
My lord,
Direct question,
25/3/24.
हाँ?
25/3/24.
25 दिन
just have a glance at prayer of the writ petition
what is your
prayer
prayer
ଟିକେ ଦେଖ
एटा prayer ना गाय विस्तार रचना
এটা হচ্ছে সিভিল কোর্ট যাওয়ার কথা
যাহা ইচ্ছা তার প্রেয়ার গুলো লিখিবে এতে প্যারাগ্রাফটা আপনার প্রেয়ার তো স্পেসিফিক 1 2 3 যাহা লিখিবা কথা গপ্প ছাড়া প্রেয়ার কোন প্রেয়ার দিস কোর্ট মে গ্রেসিয়াসলি বি প্লিজ টু এডমিট দি রিট পিটিশন ইস্যু রুল নেসি ফর কলিং আপন সো এ ভগবান মুন্ডা বিলি দিব প্রেয়ার পড়লা
Last para.
আপন লাস্ট পারা আমি কাই পড়িবি ম আপন সিধা তো 1 2 3 প্রেয়ার কোন স্পেসিফিক করিবে ना ऐसे पढ़ी मुझे prayer भी ऐसे have been encroaching the same by deciding upon so and so. This honorable court may make it rule absolute if the said opposite party fails to submit it. Oh, prayer da. Jaan to critic kriya to prayer. Na, it prayer na thikal man lekh lo.
Last last
nothing doing. That cases petitioner is directed to change the prayer, which is very hazy, obscure, and incomprehensible. So the petitioner is directed to make the prayer specific. Then only this court will entertain the prayer.
next week hoju room prayer ta de
ଆପଣ prayer modify କରନ୍ତୁ prayer modify କରନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ then we come this the matter on third ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ prayer
consolidated copy de di
ଆପଣ prayer କରି change କରନ୍ତୁ what this good ଆପଣ କଣ ଦରକାର 1 2 3 ଲେଖିବେ ଗୋଟେ paragraph ଏସେ ଲେଖିଲା ବେଳେ ଗାଈ ବିଷୟରେ ରଚନା ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ନା prayer ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି drafting quality is so poor. This High Court, to be very honest, 90% drafting quality like this. Very, I'm sorry to say. Okay, nobody bothers. I कर दे copy paste. सेटा भी आपण करंती कि आपण क्लास करबी भगवा जाने खाली copy paste job. ठीक है तो clarify करंतु कोन आपण चाहुचंती. You don't know what you want, then what the court will know. Who will know? आपण निजे जान नांती कोन आपण चाहुचंती. Next
8 year settlement पे 8 year settlement पे चाहिए
आपण करी आसंतु पूरा क्लैरिफाई करू एमती कलम सब जते प्रेयर एमती करे सब विथड्रॉ करबे विथड्रॉ करबी पूरा एटा तो आपण छाड़ मॉडिफाई तो विथड्रॉ करबी आउथरे फाइल करबी देन यू अंडरस्टैंड द पेन एटा दरकार आपण विथड्रॉ करंतु फाइल करंतु आउथरे
ना मो
नहीं
दे देबी कंसोलिडेटेड कॉपी टा
कंसोलिडेटेड कॉपी हम मान नहीं
3 के रोम कंसोलिडेटेड
नहीं केम देबा केम करबी
ये फाइल करियो
अमेंडमेंट एप्लीकेशन फाइल करबी केम दी जो पूरा एप्लीकेशन फाइल प्रॉपर्ली डोंट डू लाइक दिस हाई कोर्ट रूल इज अवर जान
670 फाइल करी
ये जहां भी कर दियो प्रॉपर्ली करो
ऑर्डर करता
दे दे एंड ऑर्डर में दरकार नहीं जान दो नेक्स्ट एटा विथड्रॉ कर देंतो आउथरे फाइल कर देंतो बढ़िया सब क्लैरिफाई हो आउ काई आईएफआई फाइल कर दो withdraw allowing you to withdraw file it properly fresh hala allowed counsel petitioner 6 to withdraw the petition in order to file better petition with better prayer hala the file कर दो संगे संग लगी hala mention कर दो केतरा को गोटा हेडा क्लैरिफाई करो दो अपन प्रेयर हिसाब रे ड्राफ्टिंग फ्लो हवा कथा प्रेयर को देखि कि अपन ड्राफ्टिंग फ्लो हबो आपण ड्राफ्टिंग ता बाटरे प्रेयर ता बाटरे आपण निजर माइंड का आउ गुड को बाटरे चलछि तीनटा अलग अलग डायरेक्शन रे केंदु चलेबो सब गुड यूनिट डायरेक्शन अलग दरकार एवरीथिंग शुड बी यूनिट डायरेक्शन नॉट मल्टीपल डायरेक्शन एरी सब उल्टा हे जाउछि थरे कले आपण नेक्स्ट टाइम भलो करिवे एतने कर दउछि डोंट फील अदरवाइज किछि हबनी डोंट वरी नेक्स्ट
item 14
on behalf of Mr. Honorable
पास ओवर को मटर
land eviction matter
को मटर ओके द आइटम
item 14
40
पास ओवर तो नेक्स्ट
item 15
on 24/7/2024 notice has been issued. Thereafter, within 1 day, section 9 notice has been issued under answer to eviction of the matter. There is a dispute within the petitioner with regard to 9 dispute of land encroachment.
dispute what is dispute between the
My private land used as a road in the Stat Mauja. And the land which has been recorded in the government, that has been recorded.
Oh, sorry, I didn't understand.
That is your lordship have a.
You have the land.
I have land.
So your land has been used by
Used by the public, I have no objection. There is dispute since long raging before the collector and sub-collector. Which I am occupying that I recorded in the government khata. That's why the Tahsildar initiated the OPL proceeding. OPL proceeding, I have filed objection under Section 3. And without considering objection, 1 day notice 4/7, second day on 23/7 notice hela, 24/7 eviction order notice hela. 30th objection, demarcation, demolition.
About extent time don't unfit.
Only annexure 2 under.
How could you just आज ही नोटिस दे देबे काली eviction नहीं करी
ମୁଁ instruction है
सिनट
देखिए
को तहसीलदार एटा
तहसीलदार बनरपाल
बॉरपाल
भरपाल अनुगुल भरपाल
बॉरपाल
पड़ा
बनरपाल
बॉरपाल
Bannerpal. Okay. Now going to the state to take exception of matter. Especially. कार वाजिला पैसा देबे 500 rupees 500 rupees बार एसोसिएशन दे दिया रिसीट आनी दे देबे हला वाजिला तो आ किसी बाटा नहीं मैं
जो थी पे पर्पस में पैसा देउची 12 लक्ष से करूना
कोरोना दिना मु करबी ना आपण देखंतु ना केदिन करची
यदि कहबे मु एलिगेशन देबी
नहीं नहीं आज गोटे काम करते 12 पेशेंट गोटे
आज्ञा जो थी पे दिया होची से काम होउनी
हब ना मु करजी आपण देखिबे केंदी हबनी
सर मिलड
हब कोउट कोन हब मु कहले हबनी
आ अल्प दिन
छाड़ी भी ना 12 पेशेंट डेली
आ अल्प दिन सर
430 हो आपण दियंतु त आगो से हब कोडे हब बाकी कोडे काम लागियो सेटा मु बुझी डोंट वरी ये
बनरपाल तहसीलदार
20 रे इश्यू हला
447
अपील एक्ट नोटिस एपियर ऑन 24 बताओ 7 दिन टाइम देबे नि अब तहसीलदार ना कोन ब्रिटिश शासन चलछि
एटा
सफिशिएंट टाइम ब्रिटिश माने भी दोसरे टाइम
मोने आछि
ask him whether he is a British officer or Indian officer under in the independent India.
ना 30 दिन भीतर देखछन नोटिस पाय 30 नेक्स्ट एनेक्स 2
एटा एविक्शन सेक्शन 9 नोटिस एटा
नोटिस पायला 30 दिन मध्य रे अवरोध परित्या
आपण ये
30 डेज नोटिस
शोकज पाई छथि हम हां आ फिर कोन
आगो 23 तारिख रे
आ केते थर देबे म थरे तो देले
आई सेक्शन 9 टा एविक्शन सेटा तो एनेक्स 2 टा एविक्शन
एकदम बढ़िया दै छथि आगु तो सब जोड़ै छथि आ कोन
23 तारिख रे मु नोट रिप्लाई दे दी 30 तारिख
you take a section
एनेक्स 2 रे रिप्लाई दे दी एनेक्स 3
take it let him take it clear consider this petition to take this section this the matter on 10th section next
नो कोर्स एक्शन 30 तारिख भांगिबे कोइ जन
जीवा करिवे
नो कोर्स एक्शन आई प्रे
टाइम लेशन 3rd September रे आनु है ना नहीं 30 रे आनु 30 30th रे आनु
हां ये सांगसे बाबू
take it section next
Item 16.
Mannapuram finance कोन पे आइले
मेलोड पिटिशनर चैलेंज द इम्प्यून अवार्ड
इम्प्यून अवार्ड
मेलोड
कोन है जी
इट इज एक्सपर्ट इम्प्यून अवार्ड पास बाय द लॉ एंड लो अदालत
एक्सपर्ट आपण गले नि नोटिस पाई थिबे जाई नथिबे आपण मन्नपुरम फाइनेंस ना आपण जिबे केमती जाई नथिबे की कोन गले एक्सपर्ट करबो
before passing of the award the vehicle was sold and the rest amount was already transferred to the account of the
what I sold
the vehicle the motorcycle was sold
you had sold
motorcycle was sold and the balance amount after adjustment of
so what is the award passed by the lok adalat
the award is directing to return the motorcycle after receiving 5 installments and to pay
साइकिल बिक्री के बेला
my lord
बिक्री के बेला
the vehicle was sold
why not the opposite party got defaulted
defaulter notice my lord he was defaulter previously was defaulter and again he was a defaulter on 11/6/20 notice was issued asking to make payment 11/6/20
then
he did not respond so the vehicle was taken over possession giving intimation to the police on 12/1/21 and after possession again the police was informed on 12/1/21 and seizure with seizure list. Thereafter, my lord, pre-sale notice was issued on 25/1/21.
okay issue notice opposite party notice jab notice the opposite party this matter
My lord, my humble prayer for stay of operation of the
Next,
Next date, my lord, along with the IA. IA is not listed
10th.
along with the IA.
What is the I for?
I for stay of the impugned award.
আজ রেজিস্ট্রি নেই
এটা
তাহলে কিছু করা হবে না আজ রেজিস্ট্রি দেখা যাবে
এটা লেখা হয়নি ଅଛି brief রে ଅଛି but not listed inadvertently not
লগইন
listed.
না
It is in the brief but not
the next date of listing is 4th September আসে তাহলে 4th September নোটিস কোড ডিস্ট্রিক্ট এটা ডিস্ট্রিক্ট কটক না নোটিস পড়ে কোন অসুবিধা আছে ফোর্থ রাস 4th September next
17.
May I please? Person is a blind person and he is a member of the state level association, which is a registered association. Now he has challenged the order of the secretary, the notice.
what is this for?
He is a member of a state level
Orissa Association for
for
Blind.
blind, a registered association, and he is one of the member.
What do they do? What are the objectives?
Objective is to develop the entire the blind
Hello?
persons of the.
What are you doing? Please don't talk here. Go out from here. What is this? এটি গপ করে রয়েছেন এই আশপাশ দেখা যাবে না get out from here. Yes.
The object of the association is to develop the different necessity of the blind person of the state of Orissa entirely. And there is a registered organization that is functioning there in the.
They run the blind schools also, these people.
No, they are not running the blind. So there are other training institutions are there in the association hall. The other training institutions only for GR for training in India, almost all only for the development of the blind persons. Now he is inducted one of the members. He along with 323 persons by a general body meeting that bylaws provides, and thereafter they participated. Now the present secretary now debarring him to participate in the next general meeting and also the in the election going to held in the month of October.
My lord, annexure 14 and annexure 16, both are OP5. We are not representing him. He has prayed to quash it.
So what is your grievance?
My grievance is when I am a valid member. Now you receive now the general secretary issued a notice under annexure 14 debarring him members.
If you have any grievance, that is you have a provision in the act.
No. There is no
In the-
here is a association letters. That is what the act.
This is the act is there. This is Society Registration Act under the
Authority. Yes.
So you can approach that, you can file case under that act. Approach the civil court. That is the provision.
Civil court he can go. Civil forum is available section 9. That is no problem. But he is a blind person.
The blind
And that too.
person can
No,
come
no,
there,
here
can
that is
equally go there.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର sympathy এটা ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ only
Sir,
ନା ଏଇଟା ଆପଣ ନା he can go to common court only open to all. Now they are going to hold the elections and now they debarring. LOC can tell that is without authority. But I'm saying
You approach
that is without authority. Only LOC can issue notice, the matter can reach out. Only for that sake. Otherwise LOC say because he is a and LOC knows LOC knows when time and again the Supreme Court said so far the blind.
I don't say Supreme
ନା ନା
Court.
ସେ blind
No,
person
I am
ନା ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଲିବରାଲ ଭ୍ୟୁ ନବେ ସେ ମାନେ ଖାଇମେଣ୍ଟ ନା ଆପଣ ନିଅନ୍ତି ଜେନେରାଲି
view କୋଉଠି ନେବି ନେବି ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କୋଉଥିରେ କହିଲା ଲିବରାଲ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କହିଛି
ନା ନା ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ
ଇଲେକ୍ସନ
forum also you have to take liberal view.
ନା forum alternative debate is not a bar to
forum.
the honorable high court under 226 that is the matter. No, I am not disputing. This is a constitutional lordship. A blind person you can issue notice.
So I am saying what I am saying, if a blind person can approach this court, he can equally approach to the
Civil court forum
civil court also.
କେତେ ଯିବ ତାର କଣ
ସେଇଟା
ଆପଣ left open to honorable court. Only if lordship issue notice the matter can resolve. Only this is କାରଣ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ କରୁଛେ ନା ମୁଁ ଡାକୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଏତିକି କଥା ଯୋଉ ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ହେଲୁ
ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଲିସ ବାଲାଙ୍କର
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ।
କେସରେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଫିୟର କରିଥିଲି କାହିଁକି ତାଙ୍କର ସୋସାଇଟି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ଆକ୍ଟରେ ଆସୁନାହିଁ they have a separate they have their own bylaws. That was there is no such provision, so I entertained that. ଏବେ recently police ବାଲାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ କଥା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସିପଏ association.
ନଥିଲା ବୋଲି କରିଥିଲି
ନାଇଁ this is a registered organization. ଏଇଟା
That is under the Society Act. There is a provision. The challenge is to
Include a notice টা যাও।
petitioner has been already remedy available to the petitioner. Next,
এটা স্যার ডিসক্লোজ করে দেবে কি? আচ্ছা। Liberty to approach the authorities.
appropriate forum. Okay, next.
କଣ କରେ forum ଟା authority ଅଛି? ଲେକ୍ଚର ଆଉଟ ଡେଟ୍ କରିଦେବେ।
ଦେଖିଦେବେ ଆଉ।
ସେ ଅର୍ଥ ସାର୍ ଆଉଟ କାଲିକି ଆସିବ। ସେ କଣ authority exam provision not you have to exam.
ଅଛି sir ମୁଁ ତ କହୁଛି ଅଛି ଆପଣ
authority act of sir.
ସବୁ provision ଅଛି
they have
applicable।
decide କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି provision
ନା,
ନାହିଁ
ମାନେ provision ଟା ଲେଖିଦେବେ। ନା ଆମେ କଲେକ୍ଟର କି କାହା ଗୋଟେ କହିଥିବେ ଆମେ
Is to
ଯାଇକି
pass the-
ସେ କଲେକ୍ଟର କୋର୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ସେ ସିଭିଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି
ସିଭିଲ କୋର୍ଟ ଯିବା ସିଭିଲ କୋର୍ଟ ତ ଏଟା ସେକ୍ସନ 9 ରେ ସମସ୍ତ ଆବେଦନ ସେ କାହାକୁ ମନା
ନା, ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଅଛି ସେ ଆକ୍ଟ ର ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ଅଛି ଆଉ କଣ
ନା ସେକ୍ସନ 9 ଟା ସେଟା ବିଭାଗ କାହାକୁ ନାହିଁ।
ନେକ୍ସଟ ମୁଁ ସେକ୍ସନ ଫେକ୍ସନ ଲେଖୁନି ଅଲ୍ଟରନେଟିଭ ଅଭେଲେବଲ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଦ ଆକ୍ଟ ଲେଖିଦେଲି
ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ନା
ଆମ section I don't remember section. I'm very poor in remembering section. Next,
Item 19.
19.
Item 15 identical. That not for addressing. Item 15.
କୋଉଟା?
Item 15 ଯୋଉଟା
ଫେର ଗୋଟେ ପଳେଇଲେ ଆପଣ
ସେତେବେଳେ କହିଲେନି ସେ ଓକିଲ ନେଇ ଚାଲିଲେ।
ଆପଣ କୋଉଥିରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା
ସେ 19 ରେ କହୁଛି 15 19 ଏକା 15 ଆଇଟମ ଟା
କଣ କହିଲେ
ସେଟା
Item similar
ତହସିଲଦାର
to
ବନ୍ଦ
item
ପାଳନ
15.
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟ କଲା ଏ ରୋଡ ଆଉ
Instruction ପାଇଁ ଅଛି 30 set.
नो कोर्ट नो
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି
କଣଟା ଏଟା?
20
Item 20.
ସେଇ ତହସିଲଦାର।
Well, the present petitioner is before your
20
lordship. Hello. Challenging the eviction notice issued under section 9 of Procedural Act in enforcement case number 123 of 2020. Well, as the fact of the case is that initially the land in 1930 was recorded.
case is
Is a
pending
PIL.
before the civil judge.
My
Who are you first tell me?
well, in before the civil judge, I am for the plaintiff.
तो
And I do
matter
not
sheet
spend-
क्या आंसर पड़ी
But eviction notice has been issued in enforcement case. Status quo order is also there, but violating the same and the collector as well as the tahsildar is also party to the said suit. When the civil court is in session and the status quo order has been passed by the court below,
30 days notice is there,
but
only so coach.
so
If they will so coach, they are HE.
I have given so cause.
you have not given so cause
You are reply to the so
reply to the so cause don't say so cause ସେମାନେ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଆପଣ reply ଦେବେ ନା I have
Yes,
given
yes,
so
yes.
cause କଣ ଏଟା you are replying to the so
Yes,
cause
yes, I have-
REPLY ହଁ
I have replied. But that is under annexure 6 series. I have given reply to the so called notice, but when the civil
ଆପଣ କଣ ମାନେ which order ଅଛନ୍ତି
but notice
Which
under
notice?
annexure 1,
which notice
annexure 1 notice. my
Annexure
lord.
one
Annexure 1 notice
7 2000.
what is the annexure 1 notice
Eviction notice, my lord.
eviction
Next 2 na?
Annexure 1,
Uh,
annexure
अपन
1.
बोल रहा क्या?
the
30 दिन ମଧ୍ୟରେ।
and the
Standing civilians
in the meantime the opposite party has opposite party number kate
3.
3 has
Yes,
issued notice to the petitioner for demolition of the
My lord, resolution of this
Within
sole
30 days.
sole residential
Property.
house.
for eviction of the present petitioner from the property within 30 days. Since the matter is pending before the civil court. Lord Counsel petitioner submit that since the matter is pending before the civil court. The case is pending in civil court. Civil court, what is the matter about?
My lord, first of all.
What is the matter pending before the civil court?
The suit has been filed by the petitioner for permanent injunction
Against
the
same party, same. we
government,
are asking for
governments
same-
and other
सिपिल को डिसाइड करियो आपन को ऑर्डर द्वारा से बास्ट हो
approach this court for the same relief which he has same relief
I may be pardon my
as has been file before the civil court.
My lord, another RFA is also pending.
But Rohantu madam, let me complete. Okay, since the matter is pending in the circuit court, the petitioner pursue the matter. And the civil court shall expedite the hearing of the matter and pass final order the earliest possible. Till the matter. And petitioner is also granted liberty to before the issue of the notice issued by the opposite party before the civil judge, and the civil judge said shall consider passing order in accordance with law. Till the time the petition is taken up before the civil court. No further. Next. आपण काहींकी असले एक कोर्ट को because ସେମାନେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ବୋଲି ସେଟା ସିଭିଲ କୋର୍ଟ ବି ଜଣେ ପାର୍ଟି
ମାନେ ସିଭିଲ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍
Objection.
ଅର୍ଡର ଥାଇ କି ସେମାନେ ପାର୍ଟି ଥାଇ
ତ
କି
ସିଭିଲ
It's
କୋର୍ଟ
contemptuous.
କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ ସେଟା ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ
Civil court କାଇଁ କହିଲେ?
ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଛି
have you approached the civil
Civil
court?
court shown it.
I have approached and civil court has also under annexure 5 series as under annexure 5 in CMA number 111 of 2019 civil court has directed to implement the order. And
Why do you have issued notice that?
and that order is well within the notice.
The matter is pending for the civil court. You are the party there. How can you issue notice?
Let me take it.
I'm disposing it of statement.
Man, civil court रे जाएगी सेठी injunction मागंतु.
Injunction order is already there.
Already there.
Already
So
there.
he should bring forward to the court notice.
Straight away, there shall not be any coercive
civil
action
court.
against the petitioner
Or like
till the matter is decided by the civil court. Khatam.
mild. बढ़िया.
Next,
Item 21.
21.
May I please, your lords? My lord, it is a matter relating to the disbursement of 30,000 rupees under Odisha Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana in favor of the petitioner.
Hello, instruction
My lord,
come.
as per the instruction, earlier instruction given by my lord and senior standing council, that the settlement will not arise as beneficiary has expired on
ता परे आज आउरी.
15th 12 2016 after
Last टा देखो.
So what is the last one?
हाँ
What does it say?
It says that the policy has already been expired and he has not come up with any documents. That's in
When did he
inviting
die, sir? When did he die?
in
my lord died
2000 expired on to 28 to 2013.
15th 12 2016
15, 12.
Expired on to yes.
15 12
15 12 2016. The policy expired on 28 to 2013.
My lord, policy has not been expired.
Just a minute. Policy was alive. From which document you are saying that?
My lord, I am giving the document.
Which document shows that policy not expired? Why are you giving the document? It must be there in your. That must be there. in your-
ଆପଣ ଇଏ କଣ annex କଟା?
କୋଉଟା?
ଯୋଉଟା document ଟା
Already ମୁଁ
ଯୋଉଟା my doc କୁ ବଢଉନି.
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା next
annex କୁ କରିନି ଆମେ ଜାଣିବୁ କେମିତି?
Already in the last occasion,
कौन है डॉक्यूमेंट कौन है कहंतु
my lord, in this document, the policy has is in existence by this document. It is converged to another.
अरे बाबा
Scheme.
कोड लिखा है जी पॉलिसी वा जलाई
My
यार
lord,
यार कंफ्यूज ह्यूमन बीइंग
My-
जते बड़े जो केस आए तो तुम हिंदी कंफ्यूज पढ़ी की कहीं आसुना
my lord, kindly, the existing,
ऑल लोग जैसे प्लीज कम प्रिपेयर नहीं एठी आसी ये करते बस
my lord, the existing Odisha Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana scheme converts to PMJJBY.
ठीक है PMJJBY I have not done that I am asking you whether the policy was active or it has already over you have not paid the premium that's right is over that I want to know.
My lord, kindly peruse the document.
Tell me
My
where is the
Inviting,
line?
in
Which line?
inviting a reference to the subject cited above, I am to inform you that OAABY scheme converts with PMJJBY and PMSBY with effect from 1st June 2017. The
That is nobody
existing,
disputing that.
हाँ
my lord, the existing OAABY,
सत्तर
that
रू
means,
माने
that
सत्तर
means,
सोल बॉडी गलेनी
ओ
that,
existing जे थिला जे से existing जे पे न कले प्रति मास केमती हबो
my lord, I am not liable to pay the premium. It is the group insurance in which the state will pay the premium. My lord. Another matter is also pending before lordship, wherein the state government has confirmed that the scheme is exist and the documents of the
Scheme
petition.
State government not
ଅଛି
saying that scheme in not in existence.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡେଥ୍
Your
ସେତେବେଳେ ତେରରୁ ଗଲାଣି ଭାରି
group insurance also you have to pay some amount.
I am not liable to pay.
Why? You are not liable to pay. Why?
ମାନେ କଥାରେ କଥା ହଉଛି ତେରରୁ ସରିଲାଣି
ବର୍ଷକ ଦେବାର ଅଛି 15 ଟଙ୍କା ତ ଦେବେ ନା
16ରେ ମଲେ 17ରେ ପୁଣି ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ହେଲା
ଆପଣ ବର୍ଷକ 15 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବା କଥା ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
My lord, I am not liable to pay any amount.
ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଧରିକି ଗପୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ରେଗୁଲାର ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ଦେବା କଥା 15 ରୁପିସ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କି
No, my lord.
ଆଉ ତ ଫିର ନଟ୍ ଲାୟବଲ୍ ଟୁ ପେ
ଲର୍ଡ ନାଇବର 13ରୁ ସରିଲାଣି 17ର ଇଏଟା କେମିତି କାମ କରିବ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ଟା
Group insurance ta already a life insurance.
ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇକି ଆସିନୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏମିତି ଗପୁଛ କଣ ଆମେ ନଟ୍ ଲାୟବଲ୍ ଟୁ ପେ
ଆଉ ଦିନର
My lord, already,
ଆପଣ ମତେ ଖାଲି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ଆକ୍ଟିଭ ସେତିକି
ଆକ୍ଟିଭ
ଦରକାର
ଅଛି
ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମଚ୍
ମୁଁ ମଲା ବେଳକୁ
ସେଇ ଲୋକ ଡେଥ୍ ହେଲା
ବେଳକୁ ସେଟା ଆକ୍ଟିଭ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଦେଖେଇବେ
ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ସେ ଥିଲା ନା ନାଇଁ ଏତିକି ତ କଥା ଏତିକି ଆପଣ କହିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି I am asking whether his scheme was sorry he was paying the premium regularly and on that day he was his policy was active.
ଆକ୍ଟିଭ ଡେଥ୍ ରେ ବେଳକୁ
This is the only thing.
13ରୁ ଗଲାଣି 16ରେ ମଲେ
I am ready to I am not giving from my
ଆମେ
hand.
କଣ ବି ଇଏ ହବ ଆମକୁ ଅସୁବିଧା
See
2011 ରୁ 2013 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ये मना करा 2011 न ଦେଇଥିଲା ମୁଁ ମନା କରିନି when you died at that time it was arrived or not I am asking when you died you mean your
policy was
client died
scheme was
at that time the policy was active
or
not?
dead
only
that is the one you get that instruction
ସେଟା ନ କହି ଖାଲି not required କେମିତି not required 15 ଟଙ୍କା ମାସକୁ ବର୍ଷକୁ ଦବ ନା ଆଉ ସେତିକି ଦବନି ବୋଲି କେମିତି ହବ ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस कौन पैसा दिया हुआ प्रीमियम कम दिया हुआ take instruction properly Allah is preparing every time you do this I'm not impressed with your performance not good prepare न होइक आसीला ये अवस्था भलो भी पढी आइले सिना अब एठी आसी खोजिबो take time and get properly
ଏବେ କୁ ରଖିବେ
I'm fixing it on 4th है ना only one question you have to answer at the time of death whether the policy was active or not only that's all policy each policy scheme कथा कहूँ each policy or active or not because प्रति वर्ष 15 टका लेखा दिया हुई से मला बेले जाए से 15 टका दे आसुथला ना केबे मला पूर्वरु देवा बंद कर देला सर देखियो पड़िबो ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस एटा होची इंपोर्टेंट because group insurance you have to because employer will pay majority lion's share of the premium is paid by the employer. You have to pay 10 rupees or 15 rupees, something like that. So ସେଇଟା ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟ ସେଟା ନହେଲେ ବି ଆପଣ ହବନି ସରକାର ପଇସା ଦଉଛି
private office.
ପ୍ରିମିୟମ ନ ଦେଇକି ବି ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେବେ ନା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 22,
fourth ରହିଲା fourth members next
Inaction of the Tahsildar.
This is a PIL.
No, PL no.
କଣ ଏଟା
What is your right?
Earlier, my lord, petition file
just a
demarcation
minute,
case.
just a minute, କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଏଟା?
The vice.
Kind glance annex or 6 page.
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ ମୁଁ କରେନି ମତେ ମେସର ମ୍ୟାଟର ଟା ଆଗ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଗ୍ଲାନ୍ସ I don't like I hate the word glance
My lord,
don't say glance
Matter ଟା କହ।
after demarcation, my lord,
ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଛି କଣ ହେଇଛି who are you why have you come here tell me everything who are you
I am the owner of the land, my lord.
whose land which land
The land occupy the women's college Jharsuguda, my lord. I have filed a demarcation. before the
ଝାରସୁଗୁଡ଼ା ଆପଣଙ୍କ
Tahsildar.
land କୁ ନେଇକି ପଳେଇଲା
My lord, I have filed a demarcation. Can 6 annex of 6 9.
Oh,
On the
for a-
demarcation, my lord, the RI demarcated my land, my lord, and stating the report that the two additional land has been occupied the women's college Jharsuguda. Submit a report and they are not taking, till now they have not taken action, my lord. My land is occupied with college and in the my adjacent, my lord, he has constructed the building, I am unable to outside, my lord.
take instruction from Tahsil take instruction can be finished it is sadhe ହେବ ଆଉ ଏଠି ଖତମ ହେଇଯିବ
ଏଟା private opposite party ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ
ସେଟା କି
Jharsuguda women's college.
ସେମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା ରିଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ରେ ସେ ଆସିକି ଅର୍ଡର ନେବେ
I am
they also
No,
be notice କରନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଟା ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ କଲେଜ
private college
Tahsildar, my lord.
अरे
Women's
भाई-
college has the government.
government
Government women's college. my lord.
the government
instruction
Before the Tahsildar, my lord.
ତ
let
ତହସିଲଦାର
him take instruction
My
na
lord.
instruction regarding
responsible state to take instruction from the Tahsildar Jharsuguda regarding the grievance raised by the present petitioner in the writ petition. List the matter on 10th September. Next.
item
regarding
23.
my lord, the encroachment of the college over the petitioner's land.
Encroachment of the petitioner land by the college authority. Hala? Next.
Yes.
Here. Petitioner will also be the recorded tenant. Will also kindly come to annexure 1 page 11. Recorded tenant in respect of land situated Moja Kutraguda.
Recorded
co-
tenant.
My lord?
Recorded tenant.
Yes, recorded tenant. my lord.
केमती recorded tenant or the lease वाला OGLS रे आसी बड़ी कहाँ
No, my lord. Annexure 1 page 11. my lord.
Sir,
Page 12.
lease land रे आसी बड़ी थी recorded tenant the lease है बना OGLS रे आसी
OGLS
that's a different branch.
In fact, I have purchased the land.
You might have, but I'm saying because since you are saying you are recorded tenant, that's why you go to OGLS.
No, in fact, without taking recourse to the provisions of the act, that OP number 7 illegally,
Sir, is it OGLS? OGLS.
and government land settlement act হবো ମୁଁ ଯଦି government land illegally ଦଖଲରେ ଥିବି under the OGLS act ମୁଁ homestead land ନାହିଁ ହେଇଥିବ that can settle in my favor.
ଅନ୍ୟ କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଯିବ
Tenants OGLS से आसी बड़ी
No,
recorded tenant माने OGLS से आसी बड़ी जो encroachment खाली एठी आसी
ହଁ eviction ଉପରେ
it is not assigned to your lordship. As you.
Let it go to the
Yes, yes.
OGLS, I think DB na DB.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
DB was.
ବେବି ଯିବ ଭଲ ଫଟୋ
I don't understand the concept. OPL is single, OGLS DB. I don't know why. What is the modus operandi for assigning the right? I don't understand. OGLS company. It is
it's all your lordships
OPL, OGLS. What is the आशीर्वाद का खत्म है.
all chief justice with
Fair.
roster is his
I don't know why this.
prerogative.
There should be some logic, na, for
Mm.
everything. Next. 24.
Item 24.
My lord, I may be item 24 and 25. Similar for Union of India. My learned friend Vishwajit Maharana is appearing for 24 and 25 AM. We have
What is the
already,
matter?
we have, no, on the last occasion, we have been directed to file the counter. We have
Your
already
father,
sent it.
Union
It's
of
some
India.
Union of
Is the
India.
main opposite.
So what
Take
is
some more time, 3 weeks time, my
what is the
lord.
matter?
Regarding they have not
Received the payment against the work that we have done for the department.
timely, that has not been issued. Therefore, I will
No.
file the complaint.
Union of India praise, my lord.
2 weeks time to file the reply. 17th September.
3 weeks.
ହେଇଗଲାନି 3 weeks 17th September କହିଲି ପରା ହେଇଗଲା 3 weeks
Obliged.
next
25.
25 same way.
same कर
25 रे मोर नाम टा reflect.
ना दे देना next
26.
May I plead, my lords? I am for the petitioners, my lords.
26
Yes, madam.
yes what is the matter
My lord, I may be permitted to satisfy who are we before the honorable court.
I thought permitted to withdraw
Name, my lord, last time asked him
My lord,
about his locus.
yes, that I am
It is
satisfied.
Your lordship asked him for
And-
mandamus. One's own right should be affected.
who are you telling me
My lords, we are the shareholder members of the opposite society, namely Siptala Service Cooperative Society, PACS, Primary Agricultural Cooperative Societies.
कहीं reply आनले
Yeah?
notice reply आनले किसी आनले
And
कौन आसी
ତୁ ଯାହା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତୁ ଯାହା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ encroachment ଅଛି ହଁ
encouragement କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଆଏ।
ସେ ଘରଟା ସେମିତି ଅଧା ଉତାରିକି ଅଛି ନା କଣ
ଏ
My lord,
କଲ୍ୟାଣ ମଣ୍ଡପ
they have demolished. It is our property.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣଙ୍କ
Our property,
କିଏ
madam.
ବନେଇଥିଲା ସେଇଟା
My lord, it is the shareholder members. We have invested money, which is in exchange of our ownership in the society, and out of that, the property is purchased by the society. So ultimately, it is our property.
ତହସିଲଦାର demolished
No, my lord, the opposite bid number 3 and 4. The Sarpanch,
we are not appearing for them.
Sarpanch and the president of the society, my lord.
the sarpanch and president notice is
No, my lord.
ନା ତାଙ୍କୁ
No.
କରନ୍ତୁ
Yes.
that notice be issued to OP number
3 and 4, my lord.
3 and by registered post
3, 4 and 5 also.
and the
Lord,
this the matter on 18th September
my lord, I am an interim prayer, my lord. Let them not to proceed further. Let them not to proceed.
ଦେଲା ପରେ ଆଉ
No, my lord,
ଆପଣ
till
ନିଜେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ଆଉ interim
no, they have demolished the boundary wall of the society. Yes, my lord. And they have constructed unauthorized.
ନା, ନା, ଇଏ କର
Yes,
the meantime the opposite parties are restrained
3, 4 and 5.
to interfere with the property in question
deeply obliged.
till the amendment till the next date next
Item 27.
Requisite to
3 दिन ଭିତରେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା 27 yes what is the matter which for the petitioner yeah for the petitioner what is the matter
Vehicle loans.
Huh?
2 vehicle loans were available.
was same movers
My lord. 47 EMI was fixed and I have paid 10 EMIs up to 21/5/23. My lord, we have paid it. And my lord, then after the director has died.
after that one
After that, my lord, they have going to be seize my vehicle because I have approached before the honorable court earlier, my lord. It was directed, the lordship, I have
art director tell me
224.
Consider representative.
ଏଟା order
ଯାହା
OPS.
ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ
ସାର୍
ସାର୍
ଆପଣ କଣ ହେଲା
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ତିନିଟା ଫାଇନାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଥିଲେ 2 ଜଣ ଶୁଣିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ କିଏ ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡ କଲେନି that is why you are before your lordship now Mr. Panigrahi says
Yeah, no, they have communicated. My client says you have not, his client says you have not received any communication. So apparently it seems they have not settled the amount.
Bank matter.
No, limited, I understand, I know your lordship. So what I'm praying,
Only one
Other
document of the
bank
what I'm
only-
praying
only-
is-
Only the color of the money. This
Page
is
19.
nothing else.
what, and big fees, small fees, I'm not on that.
No, your fees I'm not talking.
Fees, macho,
Not much of a pony.
big fees,
I didn't say fees. I say color of the money.
that is what it is.
Not fees. Color of the money is not fees.
So your lordship, what I'm suggesting, subject to my lord's approval, he says that they have communicated the,
What is the total outstanding?
The total page 19 of the petition, if the lords may kindly see, that will be absolutely clear. Each vehicle 22 lakhs is loan taken.
Total outstanding.
Total outstanding in two vehicles is 23 lakhs each, 46 lakhs.
46 lakh.
They have offered 8 lakhs, 16 lakhs, which is much below the 50% of the principal amount. No bank will settle this.
That is
no, others have settled, but I'm not doing that. Question is, I will approach them afresh.
Why don't you regularize it and pay it regularly?
I will approach them afresh, your lord.
Just
But
wait.
promoter director has died, that's the problem.
Sir, dad तो ठीक है dad फाड़ कर कितने दिन आउट कॉपी में
Sir, कौन-
dad कथा छाड़ दो एबे आप तो दवा को पड़िबो ना सुनो
Body on all छाड़ियो,
just
body
a
on all
minute
बताओ।
just ठीक है why don't you do one thing, let them regularize the amount and let them pay the regularize amount जो आपने fine जहाँ लगे दिया तू penalty will regularize the loan अपन पूरा दे पारिबे नहीं जब condition नहीं you pay the unpaid EMI along with penalty whatever they are charging and regularize this.
The overdue amount is on.
That's what I'm saying.
It's a
Overdue,
instruction
pay the
नहीं-
overdue amount.
Instruction नहीं जी।
नहीं यार, है ना? Land consider the petitioner 6 to take instruction on the issue of paying the overdue amount along with the penalty to be imposed by the bank.
Penalty sir out।
Sir, overdue penalty देबेनी हाँ की कथा
Sir,
सब आपन को
really
विचार
no
चल
really।
Public-
Penalty का your lordship discuss।
why who am
And they
I
can consider।
I have no discretion at all. The court has no role in this matter. Only where I have told you ना, we are काजी, मियाँ बीबी आप है, भाई हम क्या
नहीं
करें?
sir, ये इतनी easy।
मियाँ बीबी से हमारा कोई
The
मतलब
easier way of saying that, my lord।
इजी वे नहीं, मियाँ बीबी के बीच में
Anyway,
हम
lordship
क्यों
may not say that।
हम काजी ओनली पूजा करते हैं
नहीं, same part का call करिए sir। ते जो overdue only।
और सर let them overdue amount से that includes that also they know that
That will see your lord।
हाँ ଆପଣ ଦେଖାଯାଏ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଫାଇନାଲ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଫାଇନାଲ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ହେଲା ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବଟ୍ ହେଲା
ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ଜଣେଇବେ
you
କେତେ
take instruction and what is the amount to be
ଟିକେ ଜଣେଇବେ ଆପଣ।
No, they ask for the OTS to have the OTS.
no OTS
Regularize,
regularization ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଟିକେ
OTS
ଜଣେଇବେ ଆପଣ।
OTS ସେ ଦେଇପାରିବେନି I know that since the way it's saying it, they can't pay OTS ଆପଣ ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ରେଗୁଲାର ପେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଖତମ ହେଲା so
sir OTS ଟା ବି କହିଥାନ୍ତୁ କାଳେ ଦେଇଦେବି।
ଦେଇଦେବେ ତ ତାଙ୍କର ଯିବ ମତେ କାଇଁ ମୁଁ କାଇଁ କରିବି
ହଁ, court କଣ କରିବ?
ଆଉ why should I say?
ଆପଣ direction ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
Land concept anyway ठीक ଅଛି land concept the bank to take instruction on the OTS ଟା ସବୁବେଳେ ଆପଟ ପଟୁ ଯିବ ସେପଟୁ ଆସେନି ଆପଣ
sir offer ଦେଇଛି କହିଲେ too low
ଅଫର
ହେଇଛି।
8 ଲାଗେ ଅଫର ଦେବେ 24 ଲାଗେ
sir too low ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଗୋଟେ reasonable କଥା କହିବେ।
too low reasonable to take instruction regarding the amount overdue for to be paid for regularization of the loan account. Since the account, the loan account has been slipped to NPA since
2022.
23 बोल रहे।
month को
21/5/23
हाँ?
21/5/23
The petitioner shall also explore the possibility of revising the OTS proposal by offering a reasonable proposal to the bank. And if the bank accept the said proposal, this can also be resolved.
Between the parties।
Between the parties. ଆପଣ ବେଟର ଅଫର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 24 ଲକ୍ଷରେ ଆପଣ 8 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେବେ କି ନବ ମିନିମମ୍ 20 ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ କୋଡିଏ
କଣ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ରାଜି
କୋଡିଏ ମୁଁ କହିଦଉଛି
କଣ ରାଗିବି ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ?
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପୁଣି 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଲେଟର ପକେଇ ପୁଣି ଆଉ ରିଟ୍ ଆସୁଛି ସେଟା
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେମିତି ଆସିବିନି।
Cost
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କରିବି।
ଆପଣ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ସି
ସେଟା-
ଟୁମରୋ you are
No, no,
not
petitioner
nosted
I said, not
you are
you.
not nosted
ଆଉ
on us.
ଦଶଟା ଲେଖା କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆଇଲେ କଷ୍ଟ କରିବି
Second
କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
litigation.
Sir,
Second
like
round
nosted on
litigation.
us is saying man who can sit tomorrow.
ଦେଖେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ତ ଆପଣ ଏଜ୍ୟୁମ କରି ନେବା କଥା
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ, ଫାଷ୍ଟ 6 ଲକ୍ଷ ଅଫର ଦେଲେ
ସାର୍ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଏବେ 8 ଲକ୍ଷ ଅଫର ଦେଲେ ତ ନେକ୍ସଟ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆସିବ against 25 lakhs.
ରିଜନେବଲ କହିଲି ପରା
ଆପଣ କହିଲେ
Reasonable.
ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ you know the meaning.
ରିଜନେବଲ ମୁଁ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଅଲସୋ ସାଉଣ୍ଡେଡ ରିଜନେବଲ
20.
ଏଟଲିଷ୍ଟ 20 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଦିଆହବ ଓଟିଏ ସେତେ ଇଏ ନୁହେଁ 20 ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଦେବେ ତାହେଲେ ଶୁଣିବେ 12 ଲକ୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ସାର୍ 12 ନା ତିନିଟା ଗାଡି
ତା ଭିତରୁ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ହିଁ 16 lakhs.
ହେଲା 20 ହେଲା ହଉଛି ଖବର
ଆଉ ଯାହା ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ରହିବ
20 ତ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମିନିମମ୍ 20 ଦେଲେ ହେଇଯିବ
Parla sir, ଖବର ବି କହୁଛି। Anyway, that is in between bank and us.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କମ ରେ ଯେତେ ଯାହା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ପରେ ମୁଁ କାଜି ବୋଲିକିରି
I will demonstrate.
मियाँ बीवी
हाँ,
कब कहाँ जाएंगे रोमांस करने हमको क्या करना है इसमें हम तो काजी है करो कितने में रोमांस करना है करो
Sir, कोर्ट जो साइड रे टिके कहबे पार्टी
ना काजी का कोई
अनुसार
रोल
एक्ट
नहीं
करियो।
एक्सेप्ट शादी करवाना है हमारे काम
नहीं सर, कोर्ट जदी के पिटिशनर को फेवर स्माइल सेट
बिल्कुल नहीं
तो
सेटा
बैंक भी
सेटा सेटा के करसो मु करे मिसेस कोर्ट है जी
केबे
अंपायर
केबे कहबे
ऑन बायस अंपायर
काली कहले कोन परदु देबी
ମୁଁ ତ କାଲି କହିଦେବି ଆପଣ କହିବେ
हो विदिन 3 days आपण नहीं इंस्ट्रक्शन हला लिस्ट द मैटर ऑन 2nd September
सेकंड नहीं थर्ड
हो थर्ड भलो दिन नुहे हबन मु जानि
आया
थर्ड मागिले हबन
थर्ड हबनी
सेकंड रहले ही था थर्ड रे हबन
सब हबो सर
लेट्स सी ओ
सर से एंट्री ऑर्डर वाज देयर
एंट्री मॉडल
ताले नहीं एंट्री ऑर्डर किछि मान
ताले 30 तारीख
नहीं सर और
30 तारीख
फेयर आउ थरे
एंट्री मॉडल देबी और 30 तारीख
एंट्री ऑर्डर अछि
हाउ 30 तारीख में देली बरो
यही परिबनी सर आज हेलानी 27
मैटर टे आपण डिस्कस करके जानि करबी
27 तारीख जी से मते जणैबे केते रिबो
तो काल जण देबे
सर आई विल रिक्वायर 2 days प्रैक्टिकल साइड से देखो we have to relax also and talk Sunday asile better Sunday दिन कसी
कोर्ट तो कथा है रिलैक्स करो कोन करी
रिलैक्स कथा है सर रविवार दिन कथा है लेट इट कम ऑन ट्यूसडे
माने कथा ले भी आपण फिक्स पड़ी
आई डोंट नो
से आपण कर
मोर सर से दिन बसुन
हां और
हार्ड रे आसु
I may be pardoned, my lord, in item 26, urgent certificate.
क्या दिया है वो क्या काई तोड़ पर होचंदी भांगीबे नहीं डोंट वरी जा भांगी छंदी भांगी दी
Thanks, तुरंत कॉपी दे
28.
My lord, 28.
दिया कितने हो जाए नेक्स्ट
My lord, 28, my lord. First item, the lordship.
In this matter,
Swift
I
desire.
am with permission, my lord, I am in BC, I have taken instruction. Mr.
Learned friend is appearing, my lord. Your lordship, this is a swift desire loan, my lord. Second out litigation, my lord.
vehicle loan कौन तू
Vehicle loan.
vehicle loan हां
4
डिजाइन लोन गुडे
4,14,000 आपण सर डायरेक्शन देले ते मते गोटे स्टेटमेंट देबे जहा थ्रू मु पेमेंट करू
केते
मते स्टेटमेंट लिखले 4,14,000 मु ताको सेटलमेंट पे 2,35,000 टका कहले मते व्हाटिस कर दियंतु सांगे सांगे सेम डे रे गोटे ता ब्लैंकेट लेटर पेज 27 ने देले 8,45,000 दियंतु किछि नाही सर गोटे मिति सर
केबे लोन देले
2000 नैथिली 2018 26 रे सर
एनपीए के वेला
एमपी हैला
I can explain what is
माय लॉर्ड
एनपीए के वेला
एमपी हैला 2021
18 ने देले केतना इंस्टॉलमेंट देली
इंस्टॉलमेंट पेमेंट करछि 2,78,000 तो 4,14,000 से स्टेटमेंट भी सही न देले 29/7 रे 4,14,000
एते दिन जो देली नि तपरटा सेटा हेबनी
नहीं सेटा इशू
एटा ब्रेकअपटा
मु कहि दो एक्सप्लेन कर 4,14,000 is overdue as on date of the statement. If he can regularize, he will pay only 4,14,000. He is asking for the OTS. The agreement is there till June 26. So the OTS, we have to account for the future installments also. He is closing the account. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ 845 ଆସିଲା 2 ବର୍ଷର future installment is still pending.
हम को इंडस बैंक ना
इंडस्ट्रियल बैंक
सेति पे आपण से
नहीं नहीं ଅଧିକା କଥା नहीं
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ସେ OTS ରେ ଆପଣ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ କାଲକୁଲେଟ କରିବେ ଟୋଟାଲ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ର କରିକି ସେ ହବନି
फ्यूचर इंस्टॉलमेंट से पे करेंगे नहीं जो प्रिंसिपल ईएमआई जो ओटीएस नौचंदी माने टू क्लोज दैट अकाउंट वन टाइम सेटलमेंट
आई नो
तो वन टाइम सेटलमेंट रे फ्यूचर इंस्टॉलमेंट देबे 2 वर्ष पे
केते अमाउंट आपण देला करिवे टोटल केते अमाउंट से देबो
Total amount कितने
टोटल अमाउंट हाउ मच अमाउंट इज टू पे
8,45,000
व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट व्हीकल
5,15,000
5,15,000 फाइनेंस अमाउंट
हाँ फाइनान्स अमाउंट तो 2,78,000 दे देइथिली आ मतलब मो 2,35,000 टका दबा
आपण केते OTS केते देबे
OTS सर मु कहउतली 3
ऑफर केते आपण कर
आगे 3 लाख टका दबा इंग्लिश सर
आटिके बढ़ान
सर मु आपण सर कहबो मु 3,50,000 भी दबा को रेडी अछि सर कर दियौ सेटलमेंट सर सेटल रेडी अछि
3,50,000
सर मु दे जाउ
8 लाख समथिंग
स्विफ्ट डिजायर सर गोटे छोटो कार
मैं जाने नहीं कि स्विफ्ट डिजायर छोटो कार
छोटो कार ते
हमारे लोन तो नहीं छथि
ना
ना
बाट
कथा
दैट लॉस योर लॉस
आपण स्विफ्ट छोटो कार कार्ड दे दो नांती देबे
आ कोन सर 80 2018 चर्जरिता चक्का गड गलानी इंजिन गड बैठे आप सर
सुनो तो आपण गोटे काम करु दिस he has paid already 2,70,000 whatever जोड़ा देछि another just have a reasonable acceptance. I'm not saying he's giving a reasonable offer, you have to accept it. अपन टिके बढ़ांतु
हां सर बढ़ी 3,50,000 दे अपन
हां
3,50,000
5 लाख के 5 लाख 5 लाख ले सब
4,50,000 हो सर मामर की फीस तो मिली
आपण फी जान दो सब क्लाइंट रो इंटरेस्ट 5 लाख कोन क्लोज कर दो टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन 5 लाख पे युगाड कर होला इट विल डन हियर डोंट
आगे 4 लाख पता
आपण पॉजिटिव इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं कैसे एटी
आगे मु पचा
मिस्टर पानिग्राही विल डू दैट
आगे
टेक इंस्ट्रक्शन 5 लाख क्लोज कर दो ऑलरेडी आपण सफिशिएंट पाई गए
आगे
you are getting the whole amount you are not losing anything as per my calculation you are not losing anything except your maybe the greedy part otherwise you are not losing anything
की कंपनी सर क्वाड कितने लाख टका
oh जान दो से नहीं है I am fixing it on second
कार चढ़े गरीब
second नहीं
सेकंड
गरीब लोग बिजनेस भी करते ना कि ट्रांसपोर्ट बिजनेस कला कार
सर कोमा हेगलानी मोर सर क्लाइंट सर कोमा को पळेला
सर
ना आपण सर डाकी 2020 towards property law 20 towards CGM scheme माला क्रेडिट गारंटी जोटा दिया होची सर स्कीम अनुसार हम कवर करिवो 20 lakhs
show me the scheme
sir the scheme
what is the scheme say that the credit guarantee cover करिवो
किचन सैंक्शन लेटर दिस
what देखन
सर पेज 9 दिस
this is with Mr. Tuna Sau
sir
Rondo, before that let me hear Tuna Sau Mr. Sau
my lord with permission I BC my lord my lord I have taken instruction my lord last occasion they have annexed a particular settlement proposal for rupees 30 lakhs bank is not agreeing let he should file a proposal fresh proposal by
40 lakh 40 lakh kete outstanding kete
51,40,000 51 lakhs 40,000 let he should deposit of 12 lakhs 85,000 with a proposal the bank will take its decision accordingly kindly dispose of this petition
they can only maybe exempt you from paying 5-6 lakh
30
OTS can't be like that 30 lakh for 51 lakh
50 lakhs
30 lakhs
around at least pay 45 lakh then consider 45 दियंतु consider करिवे क्लाइंट को 45 देबे नले बैंक डिस्मिस करिवे स्ट्रेट 45 देबे ना नहीं
एतलो के पहुंचे सर
एबे केते अछि आउटस्टैंडिंग मिस्टर साहू
51 lakhs 40,000
51 लाख अछि आउटस्टैंडिंग आपण 45 कर देबे ओटीएस 45 देबे यस और नो इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं सीधा कहू ना
सर 40 लाख को इंस्ट्रक्शन दो
सर 45 लाख रु गोटे टंका कमीबेनी बैंक पैसा पब्लिक मनी दे कांट जस्ट समस्त लोन नेबे ओटीएस मागियो समस्त देबे बैंक अकाउंट चलियो ताले
नहीं
हां फिर आपण ओटे ओटीएस रे भी डिसेंट लागिवा दरकार ना हां
डिसेंट सर 40 टा गेले भलो
आपण को डिसेंट बैंक रो डिसेंट पैसा देला वाला डिसेंट ना नेला वाला डिसेंट
ते सर ऑलवेज तो सर नौचंदी
नौचंदी आपण ऑलवेज नौचंदी भी
हमें सर सर
एते कथा नहीं 45 देबे ଆପଣ instruction ନିଅନ୍ତୁ କାରଣ କାହାକୁ petitioner to take instruction to offer a decent OTS amount which will be acceptable to the bank. Accordingly, let him take instruction from his client about the revised OTS proposal. Hala?
My lord.
I'm fixing it on 4th September.
Obliged. Obliged.
About 45 for Mr. Sahu, 45 रे final close कर दिया.
My lord.
45 रे close कर दिया. I to better मिलिवनी आपनको. Auction फक्शन करिवे दुनिया पाला आपण पुणी थेड़ा से auction रे पुणी cost अछि. Auction करूथबे fail होतबो एतरे बहुत cost पड़ियो transaction cost ता. ताटू बढ़िया 45 रे yes कर दियंतु.
स्कीम रे जोटा कवर
अरे सर स्कीम फेम किछि नाही इधरे 45 करंतु खत्म करंतु किछि स्कीम नाही
अच्छा आ गुटे कथा एटा तो दीटा मैटर छै एटा के डिलीट कर देबे सर कोटे गुटे अलगा अलगा कर देबे कोटे आइटम
अस वाला
सेटे अलगा अलगा गेले एटा
टुना काटी पैसा काले पड़ी दियो
टुना साउ सर बडी पळे आछन बजिकी एटा अलगा अलगा
यू डोंट लाइक टुना साउ
एटा अलगा टिके सर एटा डिफरेंट है
आसु कैसे कोन सेही तो लोन मैटर कोन
नहीं सेटा
आपण असुविधा कोन छी
नहीं सेटा सेकंड रहले एटा फोर्थ रहले
ताला से ऑटोमेटिक अलगा हे गला फिर ये कथा नेक्स्ट
29
yes Mr. Saud please take instruction 45 रे क्लोज कर दियो
Definitely my lord I will definitely
हले आपण पटु कोऑपरेशन आसिया गला
नहीं सर मो सर पचारिबे सर
नहीं पचारे नहीं 45 देबे नाले मु सीधा डिसमिस करबी सीधा आपण कहि देबे आपण क्लाइंट 45 देबू केस रहिला नाले गला पता
पचारि
आज जे कोन
obliged. Obliged.
Next.
Item 29.
29. Yes, madam.
As per my instruction goes, the representation under Annexure 6 has already been disposed of.
This is what is the matter?
That Havildarn and Sipai Association election.
Sir, dispose of Annexure 6.
Now nothing.
Let's see. I have filed an IE.
What? I have.
Well, let's say
I have given the liberty to approach them.
That Annexure 6 has been already disposed of.
You have that order?
With reasoned order.
What is that order?
I have filed it. I have filed it. Let's say. Right, IA.
Mo pakhen nai.
11158.
What is the IA for?
IA ta dechi.
Election
IA jodi.
What reason? What pay question?
Because they have said that.
Yes, to challenge it.
No, already. Because they have disposed of my invalidation order. My representation, why my candidature is declared invalid, saying that because I am not a member. To that extent, I have filed also that bylaw of that association where in what condition I will be disqualified. And that is clause number 4. That I want to show you, let's see.
Which IA? IA
11158. First, I had noting.
Which paragraph?
I had page number 11. Clause 4. Disqualification of membership. There are certain conditions, sir. They can file his without giving a copy that cannot be filed.
ସବୁଥିରେ ଆସୁଛି ଯଦି ଏଇଥିରେ ଆସି ନଥିବ
ଆଉ ବେସିକଲି ପଢି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ମତେ ତ କପି
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ତ ଆପଣ ବି ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅକେଜନ ବାଇଲଟା ଏଇଠି disqualification of the membership. A person shall be disqualified for being a member of the association, clause A, if the wills of government, if he quits government service by resignation, retirement or removal. It doesn't apply to me.
Here of the three, nothing has happened.
Right. B re bhi nahi. No. C re bhi nahi. He removed. D re bhi nahi if he defaults in paying subscription. Seta bhi nahi. E re hela during the period of transfer. Seta bhi nahi. Aw gote rela last clause dota lekha hichi if he is so ordered by the IG of police for committing any breach of these rules mean above rules, or any other misconduct. Your Lordship, I give emphasis to the if he is so ordered by the IG of police. But now my representation is disposed of by the commandant, Your Lordship. I ask a question to myself, Your Lordship, whether commandant is equivalent to IG.
Your representation was given
If
to
definite, no. For these clause,
representation was given
citing
to
these clause, citing
you-
as per bylaw,
But where have you?
representation काब देते ले?
representation दिया है commandant को.
बस
No,
Commandant to the-
no, commandant said that my membership, I am not a member, and it is declared by the order, by the in adherence to the bylaw. So in adherence to bylaw, how, whether the commandant has the power to declare me not a member, and where the
You challenge it.
disqualification. No, this is the my submission before Lordship, that if he has no authority to declare myself as not a member, so how can he debar me from applying for election? Suspended.
But
Suspended. That suspension order is also challenged before this honorable court, because that order, commandant has suspended me. That also I have stated in my IA, that
But-
by the direction of
But just the bylaw says, okay, there is
Agree.
removal, so no
Agree.
resignation, no removal,
no deputation,
no deputation, no.
no subscription.
But bylaw is silent about the suspense.
Again,
Suspension.
again.
So is there any court interpretation that the suspended employee cannot be the union member or union?
No.
Is there any?
No.
I don't know, my
No,
lord, but
no, Your
my
Lordship.
lord, my submission goes,
If we go by the bylaw.
my
the
submission,
bylaw is the criteria of suspension is not there.
my lord, his prayer was that annexes 6 be disposed of. Say, one minute,
There, I'm not a.
my lord, the annexes 6 was disposed
The
of.
bylaw said, forget that the annexus 6 dispose of all these things, I'm not going to. I'm going to the merit. Bylaw says a person cannot participate in the election if he has resigned
Last time.
or if he has been removed or if he has been
Deputed or-
transferred or deputed. So these three conditions doesn't apply to this man.
Last one.
Which one last?
What's the representation?
What is the last one?
No, no, सबको आपको पकड़ो.
If he is,
Ordered by IG.
IG.
That is my point.
that is your point. My lord, the commandant,
His suspension
What?
was issued by whom?
Commandant.
my lord, suspension was issued by the commandant, and now the commandant has
IG has not issued any.
my ଗୋଟେ
IG has
ମିନିଟ
not issued any.
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଥାଇପାରେ. My lord, the representation was to the commandant. But ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ଶୁଣି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ.
Even for that.
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ.
I'm on the merit. I'm
ହଁ, the commandant only gives a reason.
But
Ah.
here, this thing says, the bylaw says, the IG should have removed him or suspended him or ordered something against him. But here, unfortunately, the IG has not ordered anything.
My lord, to that, my respective submission will be that annexure 6 was to the commandant, and the commandant was directed to dispose of the representation. So the commandant has given the reason that order this we have.
Which order, where is the, let's see that order.
तो ସେଇଟା ତ challenge କରିବେ.
Where is the order?
Order is at
ମୋ
page.
ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ order.
ନାହିଁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ.
Instruction.
ଆରେ instruction ଆଣିଛି
Annex
ଯେ
9.
dispose of ହେଇଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି.
Where is the order? Where is the order?
Annex 9, Your Lordship. That is only disposal of my representation. But
But he has written as per the
Aye.
bylaws.
Only,
Which bylaws,
yes.
which section, he
Yes,
has
yes.
not preferred anything.
yes, Lordship.
The
Only
ଉପରେ
my
କହିଦେଲା bylaws ରେ ଆମେ ଇ କରିଦେବୁ। କେମିତି ଉପରେ କେମିତି କହିଦେବି? When is the election?
election 10 17 ରେ ଥିଲା, ସେ defer ହେଇଯାଇଛି by Your Lordship.
Till the next.
30 ତାରିଖରେ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି if they allow the petitioner, then
He is already suspended. It is only
I am not on, sir, suspended.
Only jurisdiction.
Category.
Jurisdiction, he has to challenge it.
Category.
That the
So what-
commandant doesn't have the, he has to challenge it by a prayer so that it can be quashed.
Now I'm,
Now the final order has come,
no, not.
the
final.
representation disposal have come. He has to challenge it. Otherwise, how can he?
He also right. So in
Keମିତି
your,
କରିପାରିବ
in your
ତୁମେ?
first, see, in your first this repetition, what was your challenge? I was not given opportunity of hearing. They gave you opportunity.
Representation was dismissed.
That repetition was dismissed.
Your
Now,
Lordship, my-
Now the order, another order has come up.
If you are agreed by that order, then
You have to challenge it.
Fresh.
My prayer was declare the action of opposite party in issuing that order of where they have declared me invalid, my candidature. That should be declared as invalid.
This
So
consequence.
this is still in my claim, your Lordship. Before you, Lordship, this is my still prayer exists. Because my prayer impugned order under Annexure 5, where commandant has declared me in my candidature invalid. And now he has shown me the reason that because of this you are invalid. But the reason he has stated that is not under his jurisdiction.
My lord, the consequential. Why did the consequence? The consequential order has already come up.
What is the forum?
He has to challenge it.
Okay.
Here in a writ.
Again, the High Court.
If the consequential order, he has to challenge.
Where is the forum?
This one, he will add another prayer.
I could see again.
If my land.
And your lordship very well knows that the High Court's power in election matters. He's a suspended employee. It's a technicality. Only DG has not given the order.
Just a minute. Suspended employee or not, that is not the question. The question is
Is the
whether the bylaw disqualifies him or not.
Yes.
You go by the law.
My lord, let him challenge.
The doesn't have any clause where it says that the suspended employees cannot participate in the election.
Then there is nothing in my favor, and
Then it is there, but he is telling that it has come from the wrong officer.
Even if
Technicality.
the officer, I forget for the
It's a technicality.
forget for the 1 minute wrong right officer. Question is whether there is any clause in the bylaw which dismember him to participate. That nothing actually.
My lord, one word. It is there that under clause F, she can be disqualified. But she is telling that order has to be passed by the DG, not the commandant.
I'm
Forget
not
hard
telling.
telling, sir. Forget the hard telling. I'm asking. If you are saying IG's order is not there. Simple. If IG's order not there, things doesn't survive.
Well,
Let them allow to participate. Only thing.
My lord, you are a suspended employee. How can he?
Sir, एमती कहिले हबनी को law रे बार ହେଇଛି suspended employee सेटा देखिबे ना खाली कहिले suspended employee suspended
ମୁଁ ନେଇ ଆସିବି instruction. Instruction.
काली देखो
F ଅନୁସାରେ
काली देखो
କାଲି ନୁହେଁ ଆଉ
काली
ଦି ଦିନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
tomorrow election ଅଛି ଆଉ ଆପଣ ମନିଟର କଲେ
ଆଉ ଦି ଦିନ
କାଲି ଆପଣ ଅଫିସର କୁ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ
ଦି ଦିନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ସେ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଆନ୍ସର ଦବ
ନା ମୁଁ ନେଇ ଆସେ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ
କାଲି ତ ଡାକି ଆଣିବେ ଆଉ ସେ ଧରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ
instruction.
election matter ଆଉ ଇନ ଟାଇମ ଦିଅ I am not going to give you further time. Tomorrow, even tomorrow. Kali. Tomorrow.
Achha.
Hala. Tomorrow 2 p.m. Tomorrow 2 p.m. Call your officer to bring all the file. Asibo kon achi?
Instruction on?
Instruction on this the order he has passed. Kon koichi? Under which bylaw? Under which clause of the bylaw he has been
My candidature was
dismembered? Dismembered?
dismembered.
Yeah, he's been dismembered. ହେଲା ବାୟଲର କୋଉ କ୍ଲଜ ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରି ପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି କଲା ହେଲା କାମ
ଏଟା କଣ ପର୍ସନାଲ ଆଫେୟାର କାଲି ନେଇ ଆସେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ଆପଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନିଆଯାଉ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ରିସିପ୍ଟ ପେପର କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ
ହଁ
that will be better 2 p.m. tomorrow ହେଲା
Not a small sir.
sir ଆପଣ କିଏ ହେଇଥିଲେ
I have filed an application.
ଆପଣ କିଏ
ମୁଁ sir ମୁଁ ଜଣେ aspirant candidate.
ଆପଣ ମୁଁ କାହାର ଏ କରୁନି
ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ଆପଣ ଯାହା କରିବେ
ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବିନି ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ ये କରୁନି except मैडम एंड सर दोनों को सुनने के बजाय तीसरा आदमी को सुनूंगा नहीं बिल्कुल चाहे कोई भी नहीं सुना जाएगा
They are not parties, how can it?
not a single person. Sir, बिल्कुल नहीं मु ये आव एंदी बजार स्कोप बड़े बड़े चली no sorry.
An election, my lord.
Election dispute, election
process
dispute,
has started.
whatever issue raised by her, that is sufficient.
Sir, ଆମେ କଣ କିଛି କହିଛୁ ଖାଲି ଆଉ
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆମେ ନାଇଁ ଥିବନି ତ ମୁଁ ତ entertain କରୁନି ଆଉ. Intervention application is disallowed. खत्म.
ସେଦିନ କଥା କାରଣ ଆମେ we are also ଆମ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଭୋଟ ଯୋଉ
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ କଣ
ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଟା
ଆପଣ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା
ହଉଛି ବୋଲି
ଡେଫର ହେଲା ହେଲା
ଆମେ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡିସାଇଡ ହବ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଟା ଡେଫର ହେବନି କେମିତି ହବ କେସ୍ ପରେ କେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ସେମିତି କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ହେଲା ହଁ କେ ଏଇଟା କୁ ଏକଦମ ଏମଏଲଏ କି ଏମପି ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଭଳିଆ ଛାଡ଼ ଏତ କିଛି ମାଲ ଫାଲ ବି ମିଳିନି କାହିଁକି
ସବୁଠି ଭିଟାମିନ ଏମ ନଥିଲେ କେହି
ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ମାଲ ମିଳୁନି ତ କାହିଁ ମାଲ ମିଳୁଛି କି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମାଲ ମିଳୁଛି କହିବେ ମୁଁ ମାଲ ମିଳେ ଆପଣ କଥା ନୁହେଁ ମ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କୁ ମାଲ ମିଳିବ କି ସେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ପାଇଲେ ସେ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କି ଭାଇସ୍ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲେ କଣ କଣ ଇନକମ ଅଛି ସେଥିରେ କହୁଛି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ବିନା ଭିଟାମିନ ଏମ ରେ ତ କିଏ ଆସିବେନି
respectable post.
କଣ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ କି ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ କଣ
Vice President.
Vice President, no.
He's also same post. I am my candidate is valid.
I am not entertaining anything. Please.
Actually, election ta arjan karantu.
वही आए गला ना बिल्कुल. I'll not expand the scope. Only one issue. She has validly raised one issue. Can a suspended employee participate or cannot participate? The bylaw says he can participate. If bylaw says he can participate, because there is no such category, then can you just try to prejudice?
My lord.
No, there is a specific
clause.
Koti, sir.
Misconduct. IG order karibe.
IG karibe.
IG koti order.
Commandant karibe.
Order ta koti kale.
Sei bylaw ro last clause.
Clause
koti kale. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ରଖିଛି ତାକୁ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ତ ରଖିଛି କଣ ନା ବୁଝିଲେ ଆଇଜି ତ କିଛି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି କମାଣ୍ଡାଣ୍ଟ କହିଲେ
ଆଇଜି କରିବା କଥା
କିନ୍ତୁ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
ସସ୍ପେନସନ କଥା କିଛି ଏଠି
ଉଠିନି ନା ତାହେଲେ
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ ହେଲା
ସସ୍ପେନସନ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ ବାଇଲ
ମିସକଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ ଅର୍ଡର ଲେଖାଇଛି
ମିସକଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କିଏ ପାସ୍
କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଡମିଟେଡଲି
କମାଣ୍ଡାଣ୍ଟ
ସେଇଟା କଥା procedural irregularity ବି wrong ହେଲା procedural substantive wrong ଖାଲି wrong procedural also wrong
ଆମ ଗୁଡା ଖାଉ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଦରକାର ପଡିବ ଶୁଣିବେ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ
ଆଉ ମୁଁ କି ଦରକାର ହିଁ ପଡୁନି ମତେ
ସେରେ ଆର୍ଜନ ଆମ ତ
ବହୁତ ଆଇ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରି
ମୋ ଆଇଟା ଆସିନି
ଆସିନି ମାନେ ବଞ୍ଚି ଗଲା ତ
ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାର ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ୱିଥଡ୍ର କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ଆପଣ ଆସିନି
କାଲି କି ଆସୁ କାଲି ଆମେ will not interview only କାଲି ଆସୁ
ହଉ
ହଉ ଆସୁ
କାଲି
ନେକ୍ସଟ କିନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ମୁହଁ ଖୋଲିବେନି ଚୁପଚାପ ବସିବେ ହେଲା
ଆମେ କଣ କିଛି କହୁଥିଲୁ ଆମେ ତ
ଏବେ କହିଲେ ନା
ଯଦି ନ୍ୟାୟ ପାଇଁ ଯଦି ମୁହଁ ଖୋଲିବେ
ନ୍ୟାୟ
ଆପଣ
Item 32.
Withdraw. Consumer petitioner seeks to withdraw. You have given the memo. Next. 33.
Permitted to be withdrawn with a liberty to file a better application.
Withdraw.
The liberty.
Yeah, for the petitioner. What is your name?
Varsha Mishra. I'm on behalf of Miss S. Das. On behalf of Miss S. Das.
S. Das. B says that. The male name like Miss.
She is also Veena Mare tankara na achhe se. Veena Mare bhi achhe S. Das.
Messas Sisir Das like.
Sisi, she's yeah.
C kindi hal.
Sir, S. Das kare bhi na achhe tadare. Veena Mare.
Mr. plural kono? Mr. plural kono? Girl ra girls la, man ra men. Mr. kono? এটা কয়লা পরে ছাড়ি মিস্টার প্লুরাল কোন the plural of mister কেউ পড়ি না
পড়ি তো স্যার হেবে হিট করনি at the moment I am unable to recall Grammatical error mu chahuni ho boli sethe kahuni.
Oh, ja. Mr. Plural.
It's not Misters though, I know that.
Misters तो
That's why.
So what is that plural? आप लोग इधर लिखा ही Mr. plural है messers. इतने पहुँचे. Ma'am plus s. बहुत गुड़ा Mr. ले messers. है ना?
Obliged.
Next. क्या थे वो जो टुकड़ा? उधर है?
हाँ.
ये चीज़. Next.
Item 34.
34.
In item 34, an IA has been filed for correction.
Cannot
of
supply the copy minute.
Sir, correction कौन?
correction of the order dated.
What is the correction?
Your Lordship, in para 16 of the order, in place of repetition is allowed, it has been incorrectly typed as repetition is dismissed.
हिंदी लिखा है भूली जीवो. एडे बड़ा भूल.
Your Lordship, kindly see the previous.
ताऊ कॉपी क्या देले नहीं ताले? अपना चुपचाप पढ़े इसलिए. Opposite party copy देवी नहीं.
Your Lordship,
allowed और ये ऊपर कितने different dismiss. वाह.
Your Lordship, the previous.
Code जरा देखिए.
Para 16 रे.
इतने भूल तो करूँ ना.
Your Lordship, the.
अपना ये चालाक वाक्य में बकवा है.
Previous paragraph may be seen, Your Lordship. Paragraph 15. May I place that paragraph of that?
No, what is the case? Tell me. Then I can.
Your Lordship, the case is that the petitioner company had filed the writ petition challenging the notice issued by the recovery officer employees provident fund organization in certificate case number 161, 89 and 46. Your Lordship, to in that notice, the recovery officer had demanded the petitioner company to pay the liquidated dues to the tune of 10,53,999.
Yes, this is against the steel authority.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Steel authority.
It's this.
You are for?
I am for the petitioner, Your Lordship. Steel Authority of India.
Oh, we are for sell.
Yeah. Your Lordship, in this case.
No, you are right.
That defunct society, Your Lordship. These
Yes,
employees were the members of the society, but the recovery officer had issued notice to the petitioner company to pay the dues, Your Lordship.
No, allowed. You are right. He's right.
Copy what was there?
I guess simple कथा.
Lordship, in para
type कलाले को तो भूली. मैं कोई चीज़ सुन दूँ.
वो बुझान छे.
अब जान छे दा.
Sir was also present.
I'm just allowed. Just I is allowed.
पर कॉपी जो है ना हम ऑफिस पठेबी ना कॉपी टा.
अच्छा कॉपी दे दो ना दी कंपनी.
Lordship, today, sir.
First you should given.
First कॉपी डालने में जानी कौन कर लो कि नहीं. ऑफिस पठेबी ना कॉपी टा.
Sell cannot. So actually, the society से अनेक करते हैं. सेमने करी तो अगर उड़े चले थी. So ultimately that society failed and the EPF dues was claimed on the steel authority. That allowed it. That's right.
Lordship, in para 15, Your Lordship had concluded that the repetition is not maintainable. Repetition, the claim of the opposite party is not maintainable. Para 15.
Amount demanded cannot be raised against the present prisoner. Like I account. Last word खाली dismissed allowed है. Allowed. Economic dismissal allowed है वाला. तो एक गोटे line change. Rest part of the order is. Rest part of the order is.
I make it hard minute ना. I make it be hard minute.
So we have sought the copy as well.
ठीक है. Next.
Item 35.
35.
35 may please your lordship. Here, my lord, last occasion, my lord says directed that similar matter is pending for judgment. So if
this dispose of that litter matter where
litter matter for a certain period. That number I am collecting.
Sam, that Alimco and this.
Alimco, exactly.
I have dismissed it. I have dismissed that.
That period of fixation of scale of pay.
Because that can't be. See, once निर्तर formation हला परे जिते लोग आगुरे Alimco आपन कौन कला सिद्धरे मतलब नहीं. निर्तर को गला परे आप निर्तर समस्या same scale पे.
84 take up.
I have not dismissed it.
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦେବି
upload ହେଇଯାଇଛି madam.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
In upload, that has not been uploaded, madam.
I have already.
That is 24941 of 2020.
Okay, I'll check it. I've already signed it.
That has not been uploaded.
so ଆସୁ 10 days କୁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଦେବି I will go through it
10 days can second ଲଗେଇ ଦଉଛି second.
ନା କାଳେ upload ନ ହେଇଥିଲେ ଟିକେ
ନା upload. ମୁଁ check କରିଦେଇଛି ନହେଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
I already checked. I've signed it. I remember.
so 10 days ପରେ ରହୁ ମୁଁ I will go through it
Okay, second step. Next,
Item 36.
36.
May I please, your lordship, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Last time, my lord had directed to inform the other side advocate. He was there, we are in 2 items before.
What is the matter?
Whether rehabilitation assistance appointment, my lord. In the Aska Cooperative Sugar Industry Limited.
That super is going to die very soon. I think almost today is dead.
No, my lord, this is
Except
running.
for Aska 40. Account there.
The chini भी चलची था sugar.
Chini, Aska 40 बाहर से
ଭଲ brand କିନ୍ତୁ ଚିନିଟା actually
Aska 40 ତା ଚାଲିଛି ସଂସାର
ଆଉ ଆଜିକାଲି
ସେଇଟା ଚାଲିବନି
ଚାଲିଛି
ସେଇଟା ଶୁଣ
ସେଟା ସେଲଫିନ ନ ଚାଲେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ
ସେଇଟା ବନ୍ଦ କରିପାରିବେ ଯୋଉଠି ସେଟା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଛି ସେଟା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଛି ଗୁଜରାଟ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇକିରି ଚାଲିଛି ବିକଜ ସେଣ୍ଟରରେ ବି ସେମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ବାକି ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ବିକଜ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ସଫର ଅବାଉଟ 12-13,000 crore a year if it stops the शराबबंदी का घोषणा किया जाए तो that is the cost of शराबबंदी can any state government
ସମସ୍ୟା ସବୁ ହଉଛି
समस्या ହେଲା पैसा तो मिलुଛି ना सरकार को समस्या से कौन मतलब सरकार को पैसा दरकार पहला ସେତିକି पैसा हेल्थ केयर रे खर्च हो बट सरकार से दरकार हेल्थ केयर ताडो अधिक खर्च होतु
The father of the petitioner was working as a can.
which for the Aska cooperative
I have informed him, but.
who is the opposite party
Government also a party.
I'm appearing to virtual mode, your lordship, for opposite party number 2, my lord.
your opposite party not to who
Is the register cooperative?
The register of the cooperative society, my lord.
but the Aska sugar mill who is appearing
Mr. Siddharth Misra was is appearing. He was there, my lord.
sugar mill there is a man party na register this role nahi man which is sugar mill
The impugned order that my learned senior is challenging, we have passed that order, my lord. The only reason for rejecting the claim of the petitioner is that he had his father expired on 2005, your lordship, and he applied in the year 2011 as per the available record. And not the OCS RA rules, they were made applicable to these organizations in the year 2013, your lordship. So during that stage, there was no rules for rehabilitation assistance, your lordship, for this
you filed a reply
society.
you filed
Yes,
reply Mr. Misra
No, neither of the opposite parties filed any reply, my lord.
you filed your reply
Let it come next week. I've already read the counter. Let it come next week. I'll file it, my lord.
learn concept for the opposite party to file the reply within a week out of council kiya ji
Siddharth Misra, he was there, my lord. He was.
can you intimate him Just
I have
file the
intimated,
reply.
he was there, my lord. He was appearing in that intervention petition which my lord has kept it to
Okay.
tomorrow.
No, you intimate him. You intimate him to file the reply and list the matter on 4th, 5th, 6th September. Next,
37.
37 minute.
This previous order, the different sets of rules governing the pensioner benefit of the board employees. Orissa State Electricity Board, then Wesco, then presently TPWDL. So, my lord, the principal lawsuits and consideration.
Is that this person who?
Leprosy. My lord, your lordship's order.
Which is governing the field now?
My lord, ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟା Delhi ଯୋଉଟା Orissa State Electricity Board
first enclosure টা এইথরে মাইনর পেজ এটাকে আনিলে 92 but they are adopting the Odisha pension rules 1977.
The TOPDL also doing something.
Yes, সেগুড়াক মু দেইছি এবং এটা ওটা মানে অলরেডি ডিসাইডেড ଗୋଟେ very important document OPTC লে personal hearing ହେଇଥିଲା ଯେ entire benefit pension benefit TPWDL will pay two documents. Previous read रे এটা ବି my lord part of pleadings counter rejoinder ସବୁ ଅଛି ସେଗୁଡା ଯୋଉଟା କି previous judgment ଟା ଏବଂ the previous read টা 11000
Previous read to my lord.
previous read after the
Previous read, I don't have that document, my lord.
my lord এইটা
ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇ ତାକୁ ଶେୟାର ତ କରିବେ
my lord এইটা ତାଙ୍କ ସେଇ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ
Yes,
କରୁଥିଲେ
but
ହେଲା ଯେ ଦେବେ ନା କପିଟା
that one is
Oh,
not
copy ଦେଲେ ନା?
present.
ଦଉଛି ମାନେ ଦଉଛି ଟିକେ ମାନେ for lordships because for last 21 years the widow is fighting यार judgment ଟା ଯୋଉ previous ହେଇଥିଲା ମୁଁ annex ରେ କରିଛି ତା ରେକର୍ଡେଡ କଲ୍ ଫର ହେଇଯାଉ WBC
କୋଉ ରେକର୍ଡ କଲ୍ ଫର
ହଁ WBC 1774/20
ରେକର୍ଡ ଆଉ ଥିବ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ନାଇଁ ଶୁଣ ଆମର ଏବେ ଡିସାଇଡ ହେଇଛି ଏଟା ଏଇ 22 ରେ ଡିସାଇଡ
କାହାର କେସ୍ ଏଟା ଅଲଗା କାହାର ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍
यारी annex
କେସ୍ ରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି
yes my lord annex page 88 page 88 total comprehensive judgment type সেটা
Judgment, only the matter.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ my lord it starts from page 85 the judgment page 85 86 counter rejoinder and applicability of the pension benefit and the role and liabilities of present management as well as the concerned leave rules for regularization of the past service. Page 88, my lord. Accordingly to my considered view, the grievance paragraph 5 quotes, age has been raised by the petitioner to treat the long absence of the husband petitioner in medical leave. The authority ought to have taken decision on the basis of the applicable leave rule pertains to its regularization on medical ground. What it is nowhere evident from the order dated 26/5/2016. এটা ইস্যু করছিলে যেটা কি ম্যানেজমেন্ট অফ দ্য TPWDL that any leave rule has been taken care of while rejecting the claim of the petitioner. Hence, the order dated 26/5/2016 passed by the authorized officer WESCO, which is communicated to the petitioner by the Deputy General Manager HRD of WESCO, might be memo dated 28.
44,520 ଟା କଣ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା
ମାଇଲା
towards gratuity
gratuity
ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଖାଲି ପେନସନ ଦରକାର
ହଁ gratuity provident fund ମତେ gratuity ଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ pension ଟା
only pension
minimum pension ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ସବୁ ମାନେ rule is very clear
No, no.
applicability ଏବଂ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ previous judgment ରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର counter high file
previous judgment ଯେମାନେ କୋଉ previous judgment ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି previous judgment କୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Man, that page number 88 he is relying
ଏଇ ରେଟ୍ ରେ
upon.
କଣ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା
yes ma'am
କୋଉ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା
my lord
Page number
page
88.
page my lord or page 85 order is started 1/5/18 order ଟା 1/5/18 page 85 86 87 88 88 ରେ impugned order ଟା quash କରାହେଲା
କଣ ଏଟା remitted back କରାଗଲା quash
ସେଇଥିରେ my lord,
Remitted back କରାଗଲା for
ସେଇଥିରେ
taking of price.
present yes my lord
that has been remitted back to the managing director what is the quashing of that order
I'll clarify
then
lots of previous order 25/7/24 order ଟା counsel for the petitioner submit
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ପଢି ସାରିଛି
ହଁ,
ଅର୍ଡର
ସେଇଟା।
ଆପଣ ଦୁଇଥର ପଢି ସାରିଲେଣି ମତେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଇଥିରେ କଣ ହେଲା ବିକଜ କୋର୍ଟ ହାତ ଟେକିଦେଲା ଯା ଡିସାଇଡ କର ଆମେ ଏଟା ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନୁ କଣ ହେଇବ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଡିସାଇଡ ସେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ କମିଟି କଲା ଡିସାଇଡ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର କଲା ଆଉ ଏଇଥିରେ କଣଟା ଡିସାଇଡ ହେଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ ଅର୍ଡର
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେ ସର୍ଭିସ ପିରିୟଡ ଟା
ସାର୍ ସେଇ କିଛି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଇ ସିଧା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆୱେ ଏତେ ଗପ କଲେ ତାପରେ ପଠେଇଦେଲେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଅଥରାଇଜ ଅଫିସର ୱେସ୍କୋ କୁ ପଠେଇଦେଲେ ସେ ଡିସାଇଡ କଲା ଆଉ କଣଟା ଡିସାଇଡ ହେଇଛି ଏଟା ଆପଣ I am only I want to know whether you are eligible to get pension or
yes
not.
my lord
That's what
yes
I
my
want to
lord
know.
ସେଇ ରୁଲ ଗୁଡା ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଇଛି ଯେ ଓଡିଶା ପେନସନ ରୁଲ 77 was applicable by that time
And it is, my lord, it is
OSCV
clear, it is
OSCV was
clearly,
not-
बहुत तुमरे why disturbing? से लोग को चाली गाने गुड़े वर्ष लगे leprosy रे. My lord, the subject to these regulations, Odisha Pension Rule 77, as amended from time to time by the government of Odisha, including all orders, notifications, memorandum, resolutions issued by the state government relating to pensioner benefits from time to time shall mutatis mutandis be the pension regulation of the state electricity board. Next page, my lord. All words and phrases which have not been specifically defined herein shall carry the same meaning as are assigned to them under Odisha Pension Rule 77.
So whatever you mean to say, whatever pension rule applicable to the OSCB employees will be applicable to him.
Yes.
And because subsequently it was taken over by different organization. And accordingly the mutatis mutandi it will be applicable to this person.
এইটা ହିଁ ମୋର present. ଆଉ my lord, ଏଇଥିରେ ତାଙ୍କ service ଯୋଉଟା lordship called for service ରେ last para ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି it is service
Total how many years?
ମାନେ ମୁଁ 61 ରୁ 81 ଏଟା 20
ସେଟା 20 ବର୍ଷ।
ତାପରେ ପୁଣି
20 ଏଟା କେତେ ବର୍ଷ
ସେଟା
minimum?
minimum pension
10
10
years.
years. Minimum pension 10 years.
Minimum pension ଟା କେତେ ପାଇବେ ପାଇଲେ?
Minimum pension my lord ସେଇ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 11,000 something. ମୁଁ ସେତିକି ମାଗୁଛି କାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର scale ଯଦି ବାଲେ increment ଦିଆଯାଏ ବି
pension ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
No, my
My
lord,
lord,
because
ଯଦି
61 to 81, my lord, we don't have any pension.
OSCB ରୁ ନେଲା କି OSCO MESCO
OSCB ନେଲା my lord
OSCB
ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ
grade 2 ଆଇଲା, grade 4
my lord
ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାସନ ହେଇଯାଉଛି that is mutatis mutandis apply to this person.
Yes.
But
that
pension rule was not adopted by us, my lord. 1992
At that time,
ପରଠୁ
the pension, the 77 pension rule was applicable to him.
Yeah.
81 he retired in 81.
ନାଇଁ 81 में ମୁଁ my lord ସେ ଯୋଉ 61 ରୁ 81 ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ
Like ମାନେ 81 ତ
81
ଆଜମେର କଣ
ନାଇଁ ଟିକେ 61 ରୁ 81 ଥିଲି ଲାଇନମ୍ୟାନ ବି
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ବି ରେ ସେଇ ପିରିୟଡ ଟା ଧରନ୍ତୁ ସେ ପଛପଟ ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବି
ନା ତାପରେ ଅଛି ଆହୁରି 81 ରେ ପୁଣି
ଆପଣ ଗାର୍ଡ ହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
watchman
ସେ ୱାଚମ୍ୟାନ ଟାକୁ ଛାଡି ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ତଥାପି 20 ଇୟର କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି since he has worked for 20 years since the person has worked for 20 years accordingly you calculate something.
First, his service has never been transferred to us as per the rule 6 of the 1996. Because in 1988 he got absconded. Yes. Absconded.
नहीं मैं सेटा डिसाइड हैला सेठी
Decide. So that one is remitted back and that.
my lord
କୁହନ୍ତୁ କିଏ ଡିସାଇଡ କଲା
ଏଇଠି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ OPTCL ମାନେ my lord ମୁଁ ସେଇ ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛି my lord
କୋଉଠି ଆଡଜୁଡିକେଟ ହେଇଛି ଏଟା
ହଁ ମୁଁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ରୁଲ୍ସ yes
କଣ ଡିସାଇଡ କରିବି ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ଆପଣ OSCB ରୁ ଏକୁ କେବେ
my lord
OSCB ରୁ ଗ୍ରିଡକୋ କେବେ ଆସିଲା
OSCB ଗ୍ରିଡକୋ ଆମର ନେସ୍କୋ ସେସ୍କୋ ଆସିଲା
ସାର୍ ନେସ୍କୋ ସେସ୍କୋ ପରେ OSCB ରୁ କାହାକୁ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଲା
OSCB ଆସିଲା ମାନେ for distribution company
No, first gridco as per the
ଗ୍ରିଡକୋ କୁ ଆଇଲା କେବେ ଆଇଲା
ଗ୍ରିଡକୋ ଆସିଲା my lord reforms act ହେଲା 94 ରେ
ସେ ଲୋକ 81 ରୁ ସେ ଲୋକ ଗଲାଣି ଆଉ ସେଠି ତାର କେମିତି ଆସିବ
no ମାନେ
88 ରୁ
my lord
88 ରୁ
8 ଲେଖିଛି
8 ରୁ କାରଣ 81 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେ ଲାଇନମ୍ୟାନ ବି କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ
ଧର ତ ସେଟା ମିଶେଇ ଦେଲେ ସେ 88 ରୁ ମିଶେଇ ସେ ଲୋକ ଗଲାଣି 88 ରୁ ଆପଣ ଆଇଲା ସେ ନୂଆ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ
ନା ମାନେ ସେ ୟାର ସେ ନିଜେ ସର୍ଭିସ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି
କଥା ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ କରୁଥିବ the person was suppose the person was continuing there then his liability will be taken over by the next company. If the person is already retired at that time, then how can that be?
No, man, a rule likhila is 90 जो transfer है assets and liabilities. The
asset liability transfer है बताओ आपनका liability ही नथिला.
No, man, नहीं लिखी जी.
आपन liability
period of service of the personnel under the board.
Sir, जेते बड़ा सेटा OSCB आपनको आपनको pension टा को माने didn't accept your pension thing. That means that is no more the liability for the next company. When the liability was not transferred to the other company, how can the liability be paid by him?
My lord, वो documents are daily.
Sir, आपन document देइथांतु जहां भी
decide is
logically बुझंतु मते
I pray
who decide ହେଲା
ये जो Odisha Electricity Regulatory Commission जोटा करले
who has decided
OERC my lord
where is it decided
से देइछ मानेक सर से जो
कोन decide करले
मतलब 96 जो ट्रांसफर अंडरटेकिंग आफ्टर Odisha Military Reforms Act, the period of service of the personnel under the board or government as the case may be and under the transferee shall be treated as continuous for the purpose of all service benefits. 96 रे
जहाँ जो माने चाकरी करथले तार ट्रांसफर तांको पैसे ने सर आपनकर नथिंग वाज एक्जिस्टिंग एट दैट टाइम
तब लिखले all pending claims litigations
हमर केबे कले
मतलब मु
पेंडिंग क्लेम ता केबे कले
जेतल तक ट्रांसफर हला
केबे
96 रे 1496 रे
96 दैट टाइम
वेस्ट को आसला मतलब से एटी सर्विस लिखिले सर्विस लिखिले
एंदी ऑर्डर पास करियो
मतलब मोटा मु क्लियर भी मतलब फॉर लॉर्डशिप्स काइंड कंसीडरेशन ओपीटीएसएल इज ओपी नंबर 1 ओपीटीएसएल आसंत मतलब से
सर हबनी
OPTCL after amendment he has not made OPTCL as a party.
जो ओपी नंबर 1
मते गोटे जजमेंट दियंतु
आज्ञा
जो उतरे आपन वाले सिचुएशन थिबो कोई लोक चाकरी करथिबो 81 रे से लोक चाकरी सॉरी 88 रे चाकरी सरी गला ओएसबी ताकू देलानी पेंशन ओएसबी टाइम रे आपन पेंशन पे अप्लाई कलेनी
नहीं मुझे पेंशन मुझे पेशेंट थी पर अंडर ट्रीटमेंट थी
अरे सर आपन चाकरी नथिले ना
और सबसे डिसमिस करना थी
केमती न करना
नहीं करी ना से दैट इज व्हाट प्रीवियस रेट रे मतलब प्रीवियस रेट रे से पॉइंट
सर मैं केस डिसाइड करि पारिबिनी सॉरी आई कांट डिसाइड दिस केस एटा किछि नै तार मुंडो गणी हाडो गोडो किछि नै त कोन डिसाइड करी आपन गलेनी 81 रु डिसमिस करी नै दी कहउछन केता डिसमिस से कहउछन करि किंति डिसाइड
मैं टिके खेल कहउछि
किछि हबनी जो केस रे लोक कंटिन्यू करतो चाकरी नेक्स्ट कंपनी जो टेक ओवर तार लायबिलिटी हबो नॉट फॉर द लायबिलिटी व्हिच आर नॉट एक्जिस्टिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ टेकिंग ओवर हाउ कैन दैट लायबिलिटी बी टेकन ओवर बेकार कथा गुडा कहउछन जोटे लोक जते बडा टेक ओवर होछि गुटे कंपनी आ गुटे कंपनी तार जोटा लायबिलिटी थिबो लायबिलिटी नथिबो सेटा किंति टेक ओवर हबो तार लायबिलिटी ही नथिला सेत बडा आ जदी थिला ओएसबी टाइम रे आपनकर केस करथांते फाइल करथांते कोन अलगा गिदंता आपण थिले थिले पूरा 96 ओएसबी गला ये गला केबे आइले आपण ओपीटी दिनल कोन आसला पर
नो भाई ठीक माइनर जते बेले ये डेथ करी गला से सर्विस लेखिले एब्सेंट फ्रॉम ड्यूटी फ्रॉम 5/10/88 आफ्टर कंटीन्यूअस 26 इयर्स ऑफ सर्विस expired on 17/1/2001
प्रॉब्लम सुनो दो
गौरपुर लेप्रोसी हॉस्पिटल बांकुरा दी सर्विस इज वेरीफाइड बाय इंजीनियर सर्विस वेरीफाइड एग्जीक्यूटिव आपन को सासुरा
सेते पे आपन को जा ई
सेति पे ये सर्विस लॉटरी कॉल पे सर्विस बारे से डिटेल लिखि जति सर्विस कोइटा माय लॉर्ड सेई जो सर्विस कोइटा जोडा को 88 रु जो 9 तो रिटायरमेंट 2000 से पीरियड रे मेडिकल लीव सैंक्शन हबो विदाउट पे मु पे चाहुनी ओनली सर्विस ता कंटिन्यू करियला आई विल गेट सम मिनिमम पेंशन जोटा कि से कहउचन जे ओडिशा पेंशन रूल एंड सब्सिक्वेंटली ओडिशा सिविल पेंशन 92 सेज रूल 23(1) if the period of service rendered
सर आपण कोठी कहउछंती आपण जदी गवर्नमेंट चाकरी करथांता कि से कंपनी सेम ओएसबी कंटिन्यू करथांता ऑल दिस थिंग्स वुड हैव बीन करेक्ट बट ये देयर इन द मीन टाइम देयर 3 कंपनी 4 कंपनी बिका कणा ही साइलानी एबे कोठु से रेकॉर्ड बाहर करबे आपण को
माने उच्च सब रेकॉर्ड से पे सर्विस देले तो से पे सर्विसटा देइ जंदी
OPTCL देइ छ
माने ग्रेजुएटा से कैलकुलेशन करे ए सर्विस रेकॉर्ड
ग्रेजुएटी
हां देइ जन से उसको देइ जंदी ग्रेजुएट
ओएसबी पेंशन से रूल
92 पूर्वरु हमें अडॉप्ट करनोथिला आसु नथिला बट से जो कहउछन कि ना पेंशन रूल दिया जीव रूल 23 हिसाब रे माय लॉर्डशिप में से रूल सब रूल 2 रे period of unauthorized leave of absence or joining time for which no joining time pay or allowance are admissible do not count for pension.
That is not counted. For example, that part is not counted. Dharantu आपण से 20 years dharantu. Forget about the other part. Other part छाड़ी देंगे. 20 years तक यदि करा जिबो ताले दे दिबो.
At that time pension we had not adopted that pension rule 1977 टा हमें adopt करी नथुलु मैंने
लिखिले पराई आपण
92 I will take instruction that 1977 rule has been adopted or not because
this is what instruction in the codified law the subject to of the regulation Odisha Pension Rule 77 as amended from time to time by the government of Odisha including all orders notifications memorandum resolutions circulars of the state government is shall mutatis mutandis applicable to the state electricity board
Sir, to the electricity board, now we are talking about OPTCL, what is that?
Yes, my तापरे yes
Tata Power.
yes
First is
तापरे मागिथिली my lord yes my lord page 54 ମୁଁ ମାଗିଥିଲି whether the Odisha pension rule and subsequent revision liberal pension scheme Odisha civil pension 92 ସେ ଲେଖିଲେ letter of the West management to the petitioner. The Odisha Civil Service Pension Rule 92 is followed by WESCO utility for sanction of pension and family pension.
92
से ସେଇଠି ମାଗିଲେ OPR Odisha Pension Rule 77 adopt କରୁଥିଲେ and subsequent when it was liberalized in 92 they have also adopted OCS Pension Rule 92 and Pension Rule 92 रे भी ଅଛି if the service exceeds 10 years one will get a minimum pension and for
तो आपण मिनिमम पेंशन पे अथॉरिटी केबे अप्लाई करथिले
minimum pension माइले
अप्लाई
decide
केबे करले आपण
माइले हां अप्लाई करली हां यस
केबे करले आपण 81 रे रिटायर करले
रिटायर करिनी हे जो लीव रे रहि के डेथ हे गेला
ठीक अछि डेथ हे गेला बट 81 रे आपण सरी गेला सी
नहीं 88 रे सला 5 10 88
कंटिन्यूएशन दैट सर्विस और डिफरेंट सर्विस
not continue.
फास्ट आवर रे
सेही तो कहूची
माने सेटा से निजे एडमिट करले
I am discounting that part also only up to 81 धरंतु कला हला 81 हेले भी आपण 20 years कले हला 20 years करछन but the question is when did you apply when
Yes,
did you apply for
हाँ.
that
मैं अप्लाई करली मैं अप्लाई करली माइलर 2000 जते अप्लाई करूथिली बट लेटर
करूथिली माने केबे कले फास्ट कोन
माइलर 95 96 रो करूची कि मते लेटर कले अनेक्स 10 पेज 32 रे regarding settlement of your PF EPF pension gratuity etc of assembly by that time my husband was dead in response to application we have intimated by this
you
office
take instruction madam
my lord
The 2002 application is of 2002.
can be granted some because of the
मत निजे ही मागिले
WESCO cannot able, TPWD cannot able to give money because the service has never been transferred.
टिके रोहन सर टिके अटकी जाय आपण नॉन स्टॉप चली चली सेम समथिंग
Because the service of the petitioner's husband has never been transferred to TPWD because in 1998 he got absconded 88 sorry. Thereafter, OPTCL, that gratuity, everything has been given by OPTCL and clarification has also been done by OPTCL that he will not be entitled to.
OPTCL is taken over by you?
No.
OPTCL is separate.
Separate.
Then why OPTCL?
So because as his service was not transferred, OEC to Gridco OPTCL पाखरे अच्छी सब जाको original service book and everything is all.
तो Gridco रो आपण सेस्को को जाई नहीं?
नहीं. Because as per rule 6 ta khali pori
no what I'm saying when this person was working with OACB to the organization the next was transferred to Gridco right so if the Gridco तो ए लोकर भी तो ट्रांसफर ही जीवो ना ता लायबिलिटी का
right जेतु से 1988 रु आसिलानी आउ काम करियागु सेतु तार सर्विस के भी ट्रांसफर एनी हम yes
no mal 84 ए मैटर टा it was under discussion oda Delhi letter dated 12/11/2009 OPTCL addressed to the general manager HRD under the above circumstances it is intimate you that as late Malik was an employee of Sundargarh Electrical Division Rajgangpur which is now under your control no such record is available for examining the representation of Srimati Malik as per order of the Hon'Ble Court. Besides that, as per the provisions stipulated in Odisha electricity reform rules, the liabilities pertaining to the claims of Srimati Malik in the matter of continuance of service of her husband up to 1/4/2000 relates to your distribution company. Therefore, you are requested to kindly take immediate steps for considering the representation of Srimati Malik as per order of the Hon'Ble Court into 2009 and settle up her claim regarding pension and other benefits. तापर एई लेटर परे माय मैनेजमेंट ऑफ वेस्को माने मते ग्रेच्युटी दे देले ग्रेच्युटी देला परे पुणी अगेन आउट चिट्ठी करले
if you can paid if you have paid gratuity why not pension
that has been recovered from that is recovered from OPTCL menu हमें OPTCL लो आनी की तो
OPTCL recover करो pension
The service मतलब transfer ही है नहीं हमको
take final instruction.
Hmm.
You have to pay the pension.
service के भी transfer है नहीं my lord.
ଟିକେ ପଠେଇ ଦଉଛି
See, once it is, see, even if that person, but you have absconded, sir.
ମୁଁ ସେ ପିରିୟଡ କିଛି ମାଗୁନି ମୁଁ abscond
ସେଇ period
Actually,
ସେଇ
normally
period
କଣ ହେଲା, ଆପଣ absconded. ଆପଣ apply କଲେନି କିଛି
apply
କଲେନି
କରିଛି
କେବେ କଲେ
apply
2009 ରେ
ମାନେ apply କଲି
2002
ମାନେ ସେ ଯୋଉଟା
Okay, I'll hear it again. I will do muda kharaab
ମାନେ
So 18 September ଶୁଣିବେ
18
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅଫିସର ଟେ ଧରିକି ଆସିବେ
ହଁ ଗୋଟେ ଅଫିସର ଟେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଭାଇ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର
ସେଇଟା OPT ସେ clarify ବି କରିଛନ୍ତି page number 39 ର
ଜଣେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
HR वाला
yes HR ଆସନ୍ତୁ
ନାଇଁ
HR ଆସନ୍ତୁ everything settled up
prepare before the your DC ହେଲା that the opposite party to be accompanied by the HR officer from the HR department who can clarify the issue of transfer of assets and liabilities, including that of the petitioner's pension, pension liabilities. Take it.
Okay.
Next 18.
Item 38.
ମୁଁ ତ ମାନେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋକ୍ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଚିଉଇଂ ମୁଁ ସେଇ ଲେଟର ଟିକେ ଆସୁ ସେଇ ରେକର୍ଡଟା ସେଇ ଡବଲ ପିସ୍ଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଡିସାଇଡ ହେଇଛି
बिल्कुल से କିଛି decide ହେଇନି କହୁଛୁ ଆପଣ ସବୁ decide ହେଇଛି
କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଏଜେଣ୍ଟର ସବୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଏତେ ଗପ କରି ସେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜିଂ
ହଉ ତାହେଲେ
decide
ମାଇ
ହେଇଛି
ଲର୍ଡ ହମ୍ ବି ପ୍ରେ ଏଇଠି କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆସୁ
decide କଣଟା ହେଇଛି
ତାକୁ ମାନେ ଆକୁ ବି ଲେପ୍ରୋସି ହେଲାଣି ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଖବର ପାଇଲି
ସମସ୍ତେ ତାକୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଆପଣ ଆସିଲେ ଖାଲି decide
ନା ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ମଚ୍ ତା ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଇଏ ବି ଲେପ୍ରୋସି ହେଲାଣି ଖବର ପାଇଲି ଟିକେ ତୁ ବି ସିମ୍ପାଥେଟିକ୍
condition ଯେ
ହଁ
law ହିସାବରେ
ନାଇଁ ହଁ ଟିକେ ଭାଇ ଆଇ ସପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ
law
ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
କି
ଆସନ୍ତୁ
କାହା leprosy
ଆସନ୍ତୁ
unfortunately but କଣ କରିବି law ଯୋଉଟା ଥିବ ସେ law ରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପାନୀ ନେଲା ବେଳେ ତା asset level transfer କରେ
ଏବେ ସିଏ 19
ଆରେ ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ you're not getting that person and since you're not
no 1961 ରୁ 81
ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ
let your person come with detail ତାକୁ brief କରିଥିବେ ହେଲା he can answer my question ଆପଣ
30
କେସ୍ ମାନେ ସବୁ ପୁରୁଣା ସେ ପ୍ରାଗ ଐତିହାସିକ କେସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆଣନ୍ତି
ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
ସବୁ କେସ୍ ଆମର ଏମିତି ଆସେ
ଏତେ
ମଝିରେ ଆଣିଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ରାଜା ପ୍ରିନ୍ସଲି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ର ସିଏ ଲୋକ ଚାକିରି କରୁଥିଲା ସିଏ ଆଇଲା ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଧରିକି
ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ ସେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଟାକୁ କାଲି ଚିଠି ପାଇଲି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବୁଝି ପାରୁନି ଲର୍ଡସିପ୍ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ
ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଶୁଣିଲି
ଯେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସଲି ଷ୍ଟେଟ କେବେ ସବୁ ତାଙ୍କର ସର୍ଭିସ କଣ୍ଡିସନ କଣ ଥିଲା ମର୍ଜର ବେଳେ କଣ ହେଲା
ସବୁ କୋଟ କରାଯାଇଛି
କାହିଁକି ୟେସ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ବଟ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ
ସବୁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି
ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଆମେ ମାନେ କଣ ହଉଛି ଏବେ ନ୍ୟୁ ଏ ସବୁ ଯୋଉ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଏକ୍ସଟେଣ୍ଡ ସେକ୍ସନ ଅଫ ନ୍ୟୁ କମର ଏ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଉପରେ ଯୋଉ ରିଗାର୍ଡିଂ ଦି ଅରିଜିନ ଅଫ ଦି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ହିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଇଜ ଓଲ୍ଡ ସର୍କୁଲାର ଆପ୍ଲିକେବଲ୍ ସର୍ଭିସ କୋଡ ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶମେଣ୍ଟ ରୁଲ କିଛି ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି
ଅଫିସର ତ ଜାଣୁଥିବେ ନା
ଅଫିସର ବି ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଭିତରୁ କିଏ ଅଫିସର ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ର୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ସେଇ ଏଜରେ ଏବେ ତାଙ୍କର ଚାଲିଛି ମାନେ ଗତକାଲି ଚିଠି ଏଜି ଲେଖୁଛି ବାରମ୍ବାର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ହାଉ ୱିଲ୍ ସେଟଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଗତକାଲିର ଚିଠି ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ବି ମିସକେସ୍ କରିବି
काम कर दिया मैंने जजमेंट दे दिया बाकी आप जाने आपका सरकार
I will file a miscase or say the respondent OP number 1 government will give necessary direction कारण ସେଥିରେ ମାନେ ଟିକେ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ଯେ ଏଜି ଡିରେକ୍ସନ ଥିଲା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କୁ ନଥିଲା ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା I am filing a miscase ସେଇଟା so that
ठीक है नेक्स्ट
with due respect
Item 38.
Item 38 your lordship relating to OS promotion matter at counter copy ଟା ମତେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
what promotion
OS promotion matter
what is that
sir
what is that
sir counter copy ଟା ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି counter copy ଟା ଦବା
who is appearing
I'm appearing.
government
Well,
government
I'm there, you know. In fact, your lordship, the receipt shows that we have served a copy on 7/8/2024. But I'll serve another copy on my learning.
will give a copy correct copy
2 weeks time for a rejoinder I will receive the copy 2 weeks time for rejoinder
23rd September next
39.
I filed a rejoinder, my lord.
to argue
Can you tell
You
us?
file, you file.
No,
They are not asking.
Copy not served, my lord, also. The pattern proceeding, my lord.
You have not served.
No. None of these.
So have a copy.
I'll- Well, I'll receive the copy.
Give a copy to.
Bye.
List the matter on 10th September. Next.
Item 40.
Similar, last occasion, government has taken time to take instruction. It is in respect of the grant of RSCP, reckoning that period of that initial appointment. So to that effect also, one judgment I have given and other series of government notification, even though it is being treated for the purpose of regularization and all other purpose, the RSCP has not been granted. So government has taken time
You
to
have,
take
you
in.
have you filed your reply?
You have filed the counter, your lordship. On last occasion, your lordship directed to take inspection whether the order in writ petition number 14351 of 2019 is applicable to the petitioner. In fact, my lords, here the case is that, my lords, the RACP that is there, your lordship, that has not been granted for the 6 years that he has served on contractual basis, my lord. Because the rules state that once after they have been regularized, it will be 10 years, the counting will start from them, that date itself. However, the direction in this writ is contrary to the rules, my lord, but I'll have to take inspection whether there has been any challenge to this writ or not. Because otherwise, my lord, he is covered under this judgment in WPC 14351, my lord.
Any appeal has been filed?
I'll just take that inspection. If not, my
That
lord.
SLP was filed. That was also disposed of.
Dispose of which?
The
Dispose of
confirm.
allowed a dispose of, dismiss a dispose. Did anything?
No, positively.
Or even
Confirming
about
the
dispose of-
judgment.
dispose of
Let them take
some-
instruction. I will also,
You take
in the
instruction.
meantime. I pray for 1 week or 10 days and
19 September. 19.
okay.
Next.
Item 41.
When my lord, 1 month after my lord, had October be taken up because the mediation is going on, my lord.
Mediation.
Yeah.
Maladamin Visham for opposite part number 2 and 3. So they have made a part payment. Malad mediation is on. It is on the final version.
So, okay. 3rd October.
Malad.
Entry verse continue.
Next.
Item 43.
43.
This is for the opposite.
On behalf of petitioner's advocate SK Paddy, my lord, requesting for some time to submit rejoinder.
And for?
Submit rejoinder.
Huh?
To submit rejoinder.
Regender, I have already filed my counter.
Regender.
Last time he has also taken time for regender, but he has not filed.
Yeah, trick बना देंगे. Everybody wants a trick. So list the matter on 10th September.
Item 44.
Madam, in 44, I am filing the counter affidavit. Copy has been solved. I am filing the counter affidavit.
Yeah, for the?
I am for the bank, but number 1 and 2, my lord.
Okay, okay, number 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
2 weeks time to file the.
No, my lord, I am filing today. That is ready with me.
But you have not filed.
No, yes, my lord. One
You give a copy and file. Regender petitioner is filing the counter during the course of the day.
Yes, my lord.
Regender remaining you file 1 week thereafter, list the matter 11th.
Obliged.
Next.
Item 45.
May I please? And that matter relates to Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Matter relates to Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana.
कैसे आदमी से फसल बीमा
ना नोटिस इश्यू हेतला डिलीवर्ड हेची
6th of September.
6th of September along with the batch. Next.
Item 46.
46, your lordship had issued notice on 18/7. Mr. Gupta has appeared, but I don't know whether he has appeared for all the parties or not.
1 mile.
And the AD or neither the undelivered has notice has been returned from others. Your lordship may kindly wait for some time. If
F1.
Okay.
They are all selling in the same boat, my lord.
Who are the other people?
My lord, they are the 4 to 2 to 2 and 4 to 13.
Four to 13, nobody is appearing.
No, my lord, the notice,
Sir,
notice neither undelivered notice nor AD card has come back. That is the noting in the cause list.
Notice received.
received. Huh? Delivery.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Asini.
Report has not come.
Okay. This is the matter, 20th September.
My lord. My lord, if your lordship directs the registry to take out that postal tracking, that will also solve the problem.
Let's see.
Yes,
47.
Your Lordship, last date MCL had filed a counter in this matter, but as far as the.
Yeah, for the MCL.
No, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
I have filed counter because my public hearing.
Not your public hearing, please let me complete. Your Lordship, let me complete. Mr. Debraj, I have the right to start. The venue of the public hearing is to be fixed by the collector, and some amount of role is also involved of the pollution board. They have not filed a counter till now. However, for the MCLs,
I am appealing for the police board. So
As
far
per-
the board is concerned, my lord, our role is very limited to the extent of conducting the meeting and send it to
That
the.
is the important rule. What are you saying?
So for the venue, as it appears, the petitioner's main challenge is to regarding the venue of the public hearing.
so maybe collector has a say in it, that's okay. If the collector, but let them file. Again, MCL cannot defend your Lordships. It has to be the neutral party to it. Collector means state the counter.
Millard, I have.
Counter the.
Rohan to take a kindness. Who is for the state? You are appearing.
State council
in fact,
can answer.
Mr. Mahapatra has the inspection, my lord. He's now, but due to some personal difficulty, he is not there today. Let it come day after tomorrow, your lordship.
Millard, also there to file regender.
I'm not the region government state or the state.
You have not filed, you file your reply.
That's all they're saying. That file a reply.
In the state to file the
File
reply.
a reply.
I'm giving short day, don't worry. That nobody now except him, nobody is there from the state. Mr. Mahapatra is suffering from fever. He has not come. So I'm granting 10 days time. Let it come on 10th.
Lordships.
10. If whoever not filed your reply, please file. And agenda repelling.
Lordships.
The not file the reply. To file the counter affidavit within before the next date of this. And then counter within 10 days. And the agenda repelling be filed within 1 week thereafter. So let it be 20th.
Lordships. Yes, interim to be extended. Oblige, your Lordships.
Next.
Keeping it to 20th.
20th. You are not filing reply, nobody is doing the what to do. I have to give time, na? So do you file reply, then you will also file agenda.
20th September.
Where is the August?
Out a short date.
How can short date?
Short date ke karan 20th.
State to asibo na.
State the key, give me asi nahi. Amar state side coordinate karan tu.
Millard, I have filed entire document, state document also. I have filed, Millard.
Without
Coordinate to
state
the state,
stand.
na? Coordinate to the state.
Little bit earlier. Little bit earlier.
20th, see, achieve. ବର୍ଷା ଦିନ ଏମିତି କୋଉଟା କରିପାରିବ କି? ବହୁତ ବର୍ଷା ହଉଛି। ଏବେ କିଛି ହବନି।
So only respect of venue, Millard. Venue we have fixed the
Which is
public
very
place.
important.
Millard.
That's very important.
Not
Very
Public-
important.
In public hearing, venue is important.
Very important. In some places, when you have changed and it becomes intimidating for those people.
Yeah. Next.
My lord. Number theta case number theta factor to mention. Then the list of increases.
Item 48, my lord, the notice has been issued to the opposite parties.
40?
48.
48 है actually, right?
Hmm.
46, 47?
Sorry, 47 type is sorry.
48?
Notice has been issued to the municipal.
मैं opposite party 4 and 5 let pass.
State by
ये म्युनिसिपालिटी मेन म्युनिसिपालिटी की स्पेशल पे नोटिस जाइथला
आपण म्युनिसिपालिटी
नहीं ओ प्राइवेट अपोजिट पार्टी 4 and 5
म्युनिसिपालिटी में केस
म्युनिसिपालिटी में सर के अपियर करना है ए 21st
सर्विस कंप्लीट
आगे आगे नोटिंग इज
Messenger जाइए ballot service.
ओपी नंबर कटक म्युनिसिपालिटी
की अपियर करती जान की
संग पैनल लॉयर अछंती
आई थिंक माने
मिस्टर
महांती आई थिंक करती जो
महांती वो नायक वो
तो गोटे कॉपी दे देंतु
मु सर स्पेशल पे नोटिस दे दी छी
कागो देखि
और ये पठे दी छी से पाई
आई
नोटिंग
के माने पड़े
Ballot service special messenger.
and I'm fixing a date
आगे
9th
interim order to continue
they are actually giving you the notice then you challenge
My lord, they are
Overall,
not
I
give,
don't believe.
my lord, they are not giving any notice and they are evicting, my lord. So, my lord, my lord, the present petitioner holds a trade license and that has been expired, my lord.
What is the trade license?
My lord, trade license is issued by BMC, my lord. That is at Annexure 1.
So you are on an encroached land.
Yes, my lord.
You are on encroached land.
Yes, my lord.
Trade license given by BNC for trade.
My lord, for trade of timber, my lord. And subsequently, I'm also residing there, and I have a electricity bill of the till today, my lord, 2000.
Total area you have encroached?
My lord, my lord, Gondamunda area, Bhubaneswar. Gondamunda, my lord.
What is the total area you have encroached?
My lord, area is not mentioned over here, my lord.
Why? You must be knowing how much area you have encroached. You don't know.
My lord, two areas. One is for residential purpose, and another is for trade.
What is the total extent of the area?
That instruction, my lord.
You must know that how much area, whether you are a poor man.
Yes, my lord. I'm a poor man.
Do the timber business. Wow.
My lord, that.
You a new kind of poor, such kind of poor should be there everywhere. देश में सारे poor है, तुम्हारे जैसे poor हो. अच्छा हो जाएगा. Will be the developed nation in the.
My lord, that instruction is there, my lord. So may I take notice, my lord?
Sorry, I don't want to give you issue any notice.
My lord, in that.
Without notice, why should you interfere?
My lord, because.
Petition is too premature.
Lordship,
And it has been filed without challenging any notice. Hence, the petitioner is, hence the petitioner granted liberty to approach this court as and when notice is received by.
My lord, if any. My lord, may protect me.
No.
My lord, because the BDA and BMC, my lord.
Binna notice I can't control.
My lord,
orally ki koi do to kali khali kari orally.
my lord, that is what happening, my lord, because I'm also doing street vendors.
That is your fate.
My lord, the street vendors cases, my lord.
Sir, street vendor, it is no, you are not street vendor.
No, my lord.
You are a timber vendor.
My lord, it would have been a street vendor if I would have.
You are not a street vendor, sir.
Right now, I'm not at the stage of street.
I have to say, don't compare with the street vendor. Street vendor माने को बने छोटा परिवार बिकाली ये छोटा मोटा बिजनेस करते से street vendor. Timber भी कुछ
timber small timber business for that man.
Anyway, but no notice when notice is there.
Till then, my lord, if
till then no chance when I am disposing it, why should I till then protect you? No.
Grateful.
If something comes, any notice comes, immediately you file it.
Because of the court, I may be pardoned, my lord. They do not give any notice and they. My lord, This is happening, my lord.
notice देई करी तापरे
My lord, BMC and BDA,
announce करंती बिना notice रे announce कर
my lord, BMC and BDA, they have
Ah.
created a enforcement squad.
you have a one case I'm hearing so many cases regularly I know what they do say all this.
Grateful, my lord.
Let them
Grateful.
client पाठा पढ़ा देला तम पढ़ी के आसी एठी बांती कर देला client कहि देला एंते दियंती नि हे गेला त बिना
I beg
हम काई सुनिबु
I beg
तू
a pardon.
कोन को आपण चैलेंज कर जे सुनिबु बिना जे नै मु आज्ञा माइक रे कहि देले एते पे मु आइनी माइक रे कहि देले हम सुनि देबु
Not
तो
that.
read कोट एंती लाइटली न
Great. Great.
next
Item 50.
50
The lordship notice has been issued to the respondent, but he has not appeared.
50
Yes, your lordship. Your
which
lordship
with the
notice,
respondent no, notice is not complete huh? Not delivered letter has been received okay you take fresh notice that cause the petitioner to take fresh notice ajan ebe jachi atale wait kar do notice has not yet been completed list the matter on 12th September next 51
51 urgent है ये जी. Item 52.
52
Please, your lordship.
52 कौन था
This is for regularization. Petitioner working in 1989 as a daily wages slave. Daily wages basis.
40
OFDC.
OFDC in the order
There, initially the order was
I pass another order OFDC पे अपना चंदी
no, Mr.
की अछि
Patnaik, senior counsel.
fine मान दीजिए let him come non appears for the opposite party OFDC list the matter Monday कर दीजिए Monday
A Monday.
नहीं आपण कोण पढू शकते
4 तारीख
हो 4 तारीख को he intimate him na
हाँ.
intimate him next
53.
53
Already in item 53, in the connecting matter, lordship directed to serve a copy. They have given a copy.
you are for
On
bank
I'm for the bank, my lord.
you have given copy
In fact, no notice was issued. Although notice was issued, no requisites were filed as per the noting, my lord. However, they have
you have
served a
got
copy,
you have received na
my lord. I'll take instruction and file Boklatnama as well as counter affidavit.
bank Mr. Mapat
AP Misra.
AP Misra waves of notice on behalf of the bank and 6 weeks time to file
3 weeks, my lord, because
3 weeks time to file
well,
Wakalatnama and
counter.
affidavit. Remember, if any may be filed 1 week thereafter, this the matter on 27th of September.
Obliged.
Next.
Item 54.
ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ଥିଲା ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ କିଏ ଅଛି
Mr. Prasanna Panda.
ନୋଟ 55
54.
54 54 ବି ସେମିତି
No, 54 time I see.
ଏଇଟା 54 ତ
Okay. Written.
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ରିଟର୍ନ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ କରିଦିଅ ହେଲା ଆଉଟ୍ ଡେଟ୍ ଦ ମଣ୍ଡେ ଟୁ କରିଦେ 55
55 urgent है.
Due appearance
56.
Item 51, my appearance may kindly noted plus.
51
plus.
ସେଟା urgent है.
ଏଡଜନ ହେଇଛି ସକାଳୁ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ମେନସନ କରିଥିଲେ
Second, Mr.
Obliged.
Sonal.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 56.
56
Your lordship,
56
lordship are directed to file the written notes, my lord. I'll file it
Written
in the
notes.
course of the day, your lordship.
okay you have filed Mr. Rath
Yes, my lord, I have filed.
okay ठीक है let him close कर दो
My lord.
give it today huh
Lordship.
okay close next
56, my lord, I have filed my written note.
you have not filed
I have filed, my lord.
no you have filed now already you have filed you have filed you have already filed have you already filed Mr. Rath
Yes, my lord, I am for the petitioner in 56 and I have filed.
You have filed now, okay, ठीक है. Next.
For the state to file.
Yeah, state is giving today. On the close. Next.
Item 57.
57.
My lord. In this case, your lordship on last.
Yes, my lord, I have already filed.
Directed me to give.
Yes, my lord, I have filed.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay.
My lord, kindly have a glance.
Formatted, huh?
In the documents. In
Who is
the
the
after they
oppo-
have stated that some cases are pending.
Who is the for the
But
opposite
that was
party?
Already
I'm appearing. No, state
Who is
your
for the
lordship.
opposite party?
opposite.
I'm appearing to virtual mode, your lordship. State.
Okay.
And
Why you have not come today for the virtual mode?
Ill health, your lordship.
Oh,
written note of argument I have submitted.
you
And
given?
case was posted for
You also give written note.
judgment and
Written notes, we have also already filed, your lordship.
You file, okay.
my lord, already I have taken 4 exams.
ठीक है सर ହେଇଗଲା ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ସାଇଲେ ନା
My lord,
ଦେଇ ସାଇଲେ ଆପଣ written note.
yes,
Okay.
I have already given.
Okay, then closed. Next.
Item 58.
58. Non-appears. Non-appears, list the matter on 1st October. 59.
Item 59.
Non-appears. List the matter on 25th September. 60.
60 admin page.